Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How's everyone feeling today? Hope you guys are feeling all right. Good morning. Let me know who we have with us in the chat here. Let me know who we have with us in the chat. Andre, Seta, good morning. Jack, good morning. Oop, good morning. George, good morning. Ranga, good morning. Frank, good morning. Snowfall, let me know. Hope you guys are doing fine. Hey, Thomas. Hi again. Hello, my friend. Hope you're doing all right. Let me know how you guys are feeling today. I'm feeling ready. The market's looking all right to trade here. Had a couple of good setups this morning as well during the London live stream. We actually caught the long before it reversed here. This was actually quite funny. I might look for a potential short play here for gold in a minute here. Gold looks like it might want to reverse. You have a good sweep of the highs. Looks like a potential trade to the downside here for gold, back towards LDO. This could be something we could be looking for in a minute. Closure below 9 o'clock could potentially give me that idea here for gold sells. Actually start liking it already. Let's see what happens here. Hello from Rothenburg. Good morning, my friend. Moen, good morning, Ludger. DJ, good morning. Awesome to see you guys here already. You guys are legends. And let's see what we have for today, guys. Let's see what we have for today. Let's see what the market brings to us. We're of course gonna do a giveaway today as well. And yeah, we'll see what happens for today, guys. Okay, we'll see what happens for today. I'm looking overall. I'm a little bit mixed on the biases today. I'm looking overall for short side potential here for NQ. We actually went into a potential short area for me, which I liked for the shorts. I did not give my entry yet, as of yet. Now for the shorts, I still need to wait for them. ES actually had a divergence, so we have a bearish divergence for NQ, which also brings that extra confidence here for me. So what could I target if I want to look for shorts? Asia high and Asia low would be a target. Also the daily open. So I think a short could definitely be a potential play here. I have to see if we get the entry. Same scenario here for gold. I like gold. I like overall to come back potentially towards Asia high, all right, and back towards London open. So if we get a closure below 9 o'clock on the 5 minute, I would be tempted to look for something like this for a short continuation play and try to trade it back towards LDO. They could still, if they want to, reach into 8:30 first. They actually went back into 6 o'clock, so you're currently trading below the open of the 12-hour candle, which I do like a lot here. So yeah, we'll see. Bro, morning. Good morning, Ricardo. Hope you're doing fine, my friend. Hope you're doing fine. Hope you're doing fine. I'm not in this trade yet, guys. So you just so you know, I'm not in this trade yet. Just so you know. Big hello again from Algeria, North Africa. Hello, my friend. Hope you're doing all right. All right, we're breaking higher. So no trade whatsoever as of yet on gold. Gold has been rising drastically, guys, right? It could also be that this just wants to continue higher. I did like the overall sweep here of the liquidity of the highs. We're overall really extended. It's Friday. We could potentially trade back into the current week range. This is something I would be looking for. We'll see what happens, though. We'll see what happens. I'll put an alert down here for 9 o'clock here on gold. If they come back into it, we could be looking for a potential sell setup. And for MNQ, I'm gonna just wait for the entry. That's what I'm gonna do here. I'm looking for shorts overall, guys. I'm looking for shorts overall. We just need to see the entry. So we could potentially form a low here, come back up, and then it could give us the entry to go lower again, right? So we'll wait for that and see. We'll wait for that and see. How are you guys doing today? Did you guys take any trades today? Let me know in the chat if you guys took any trades, and if so, what trade have you taken as thus far? Let me know in the chat. And let's make a little poll here. Let's see if you guys are looking for buys, if you guys are looking for shorts. Let's see. What is your bias today? Longs, shorts. Let's see. And unbiased. All right, let me know. Hit the poll. Let me know in the chat, guys, what you're looking for. Make sure to also smash the like button. If we hit 100 likes today, we'll definitely do a giveaway today. So also hit the like button here. And yeah, let's see what happens today. Let's see what's gonna happen today, guys. Let's see what happens. What do you guys think about the new thumbnail, by the way? Today, low risk to get into a relaxed weekend. That's what it's all about, Mario. That's what it's all about, my friend. Good decision here. All right, the shorts are definitely at play here. Definitely selling off. You have a divergence, or you have an SMT with ES. All right, so we have an SMT here at the top with ES. So yeah, let's see if they want to continue and how we could get involved. We could also get involved at the new hourly open here. We have the open, of course, 9:30 open coming in 15 minutes from now. So that could change everything. All right, that could change everything. We'll see what happens though. We'll see what happens. We reached back into 8:30, so we balanced out 8:30. Could still be a short potential play here. Back towards the LDOO range, so back to the London range. We'll see what happens though. I have an alert set, and I potentially look for a short setup here. We'll have to wait and see. NQ is already falling though. NQ is already falling. We'll see. Was thinking if the shorts go without us. Yeah, we have to wait though. Like, they could still come back for us if they want to later on. We don't have to be there instantly. It was quite upsetting. I was looking for it. I was like, we're not live yet. I wanted to go live, and then maybe we could have captured it, but I wasn't live yet. So yeah, it is what it is. Part of the game, you know. Part of the game. Sinking pretty drastically. That's what happens always. The moment you're not in the position, it goes and tanks like it never tanks before. It's always the same here, guys. It's always the same here. If we get a good reach back up here for the new 15, we could also look for the continuation play already. Let's see, we got a new 15 here in 1 minute and 1 second. All right, this is the new 15-minute open. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. If I would like to get involved here, I might get involved like this, right, on the pullback, and then trade it back towards these lows down here, which is like a massive target. But we'll see. Who knows? They might provide it to us. We have the open coming in as well, the New York session open. If that comes to play, then I, of course, have to reevaluate here. So we're going to see what happens once they tap into the FEG here. How do you beat your inner demons? That's a good question, Snowfall. I think it depends. It depends on how you treat them, you know? Like, you could try to fight your demons doing stuff that you don't like, right? Meaning that maybe you go to the gym if you don't like to go to the gym, or you go into a cold plunge. Like, there's a lot of ways to fight demons. When it comes to trading and stuff, like, yeah, fighting your demons is tough, man, because you have to understand them first. You see what I mean? Weekly and monthly VWAP about 29.67. 6.7 could be interesting area for testing. Yeah, maybe. Let's have a look, bro. If they want to go all the way towards 6.7, they're gonna break this high. I was hoping for them to stand on this high, that this high would stand, but otherwise they could also go towards 6.90. So I have a couple of areas in mind. Either we short from here, right, and we get the continuation short, or they break back above 6 o'clock again, right? They stay above 6, and I would look for the longs. Okay, so I have two scenarios in my head here. Either I look for shorts if they stay below 6 after we're 9:30 open, and we look for the midnight open and stuff, or they want to retrace the entire move and want to go back to these equal highs, previous day high, and then I would look for longs. But 9:30 has been messy lately, guys. Okay, like for some reason, price hasn't gone anywhere. Every New York session, it just doesn't want to do anything at all. So I hope it's not going to be the same today, because that would be quite boring. Okay, if that's the case, that would be quite boring. But let's hope so that's not the case. Hi, welcome to our star trader. Hey, Captain, thank you. Captain Future Trading. Welcome, my friend. Hope you're doing all right. Make sure to smash up the like if you enjoy the live streams. And then we do a giveaway later today. If we hit 100 likes, we're doing a giveaway, okay? So hit the like button if you want to be a part of the giveaway. And let me know in the chat what you're looking for. Long, shorts. We currently have 53% looking for shorts or for longs. And 32% looking for shorts. Okay, so a lot of you guys are more convicted in the longs than looking for shorts. Interesting. Yeah, let's see what happens here, guys. Let's see what happens when we have the open here. All right, so we reiterated the 5-minute high, and we're currently selling it off again. Am I willing to take this position just before the open is the big question. I don't know. I don't know if I want to. I might not. I might wait, but we'll see. We'll see what happens here. What's the difference between an A+ setup and an S tier setup? That's a good question. I think personally, bro, there is no such thing as an A+ and a B+ and a C+ setup, right? I personally don't believe in that type of stuff. I think any setup that you take should have a good reason, okay? So it's like, why would we tier setups? You know, if it's an S tier setup, why would you even consider taking it? You have to be willing to take risk on the table if you're considering a trade. It shouldn't be an A plus, B plus, whatever type setup, you know? Like, I don't believe in that stuff. I think you have a playbook, you follow the playbook, and you just execute on it. And you could, what you could do is you use mathematical sense. So if you're up on the day and you see another setup and you're willing to risk the money that you made, that's when you're upping your risk. Because then you're not losing anything in relationship to your drawdown, okay? If you're trading a live account, it's completely different, of course. Are you often trading after the open or pre-open? Yeah, I trade the morning session as well. So I trade the London session. To this London session, we took 2 trades. I took 1 trade to the upside on gold, and I took 1 trade to the upside also on MNQ, and I took 1 before the stream. So I had 3 trades today. One of them is on a CFD account. So I had a CFD account. I trade on my phone when it comes to CFD, and the others are on the futures. So overall, we're up on the day, but we'll see what happens though. Why did you change from crypto to futures? I would say less of a headache. Personally, because when I was trading crypto, I traded crypto and I used everything. So I used the total one market. So what I used to do is you have the total crypto cap, and I started using this to use it as divergence against the pairs, right? And in that sense, like, the accuracy could be really high, but you could lose yourself, man. There's so many coins to trade, bro. I was like, and it wasn't like having a major impact. I was like, maybe I can just better trade crypto or futures, right? What's good? His name, how you doing, bro? Wagwan, my friend, hope you're doing all right. Welcome back. Welcome back, my friend. Awesome stream, love it. Hey, thank you, bro. Highly appreciate that. Hi, Thomas from Holland. Hello, my friend. Hope you're doing all right. I've been short since almost the top. Nice, really nice. Nice catch. Yeah, I didn't take it. I was looking to short it here. Right here on the retest of 830. With the stop above the high. Assuming that this was the extreme after the SMT with the S. I was looking for this short, but I was so hectic starting the stream, guys. I didn't have the time for it. So, of course, it's easy to say now it's playing out here, okay? It's easy to say now it's playing out. But this was what I was looking for. This was what I was looking for. But it is what it is. We'll see what happens, though. We'll see what happens. It is a really nice SMT if you look at the S as well. I mean, yes, went and took the highs. So you have an SMT with MNQ here, right? It's a beautiful setup. But we'll see what happens, though. We'll see what happens. If they want to come back at 9:30 open and they give us the short, then I might get involved here. But it could also be a flip coming soon. But what a sink, though, by the way. We're talking, okay, it's only 70 points. Not even that drastic. But it's still sunk 70 points here. We'll see what happens after the open. We got 9 minutes until the open here, guys. Are you allowed to trade the contest? Sure, if I want to. I'm pretty sure I'm allowed to, but I'm not doing it, personally. But I think I'm allowed to do it if I want to. I've never asked them, actually. We got 75 people watching. Hope you guys are good. If you enjoy the live streams, make sure to smash up the like. Which indicator are you using for the levels like LDO? I have an indicator that I've made, or I remodeled. I remodeled this indicator. I can share it with you guys. Do you guys want to have access to the indicator? Let me know and I'll share it with you guys. I'm actually working on an indicator that is completely around my model. So time frame synchronization. Me and Electric are trying to work this out. Electric is a friend of mine from my Discord community. And we're trying to figure it out here to see if we can make like some indicator that, man, I'm excited because I think it really could be something cool that you can like have like the time frame synchronization and you can visually see it and the indicator marks it out for you. It also could potentially provide buy and sell signals. I'm a little bit iffy with that stuff. I don't always believe that it works, but we're trying it out, okay? We have a sample size already over a couple of weeks that the week accuracy, so that the bias for the week was like 78%, which is insane. And then on some other days, based on data, guys, this is not me just saying it. And then you also had a daily bias, and on some months it was, man, insane. Other months it was like horrible, okay? So we're trying our best to figure something out. But maybe that's coming in the future. Then we have like some sort of indicator that I utilize, and then yeah, we could potentially get you guys access to that as well. You know, that would be the goal. But let me see. Let me set this up, okay? Let me give you guys the access to the script here. Okay, so for the weekly and daily and opening levels, let me share it here with you guys. This is for the weekly open, daily open, and stuff like that. I shared it in the link in the chat for the guys that want to use it, so you see where the daily opened up and stuff. And then I have the W07 intraday openings, and here you can have all the openings of the day marked out. And these are my settings. Let me show you guys. These are my settings. Okay, these are my settings for the current day. Okay, just scroll back into the stream and pause it for a second so you see what the settings are. Okay. There you go. Enjoy it. Hopefully you can make something work with it. Would it be possible for IQ Capital to have a live running calls? What? Sorry, I have no idea what you're talking about, Brian Westbrook. Sorry, bro. I have no idea what you're talking about, my friend. I have no idea. I have no idea what you're talking about, my friend. Bro, how you figure your setup out in London? What's your confidence in taking the long? Well, you have the you have the retest into the fair value gap for 7 o'clock. Okay, 7 o'clock retest is down, and then you have the flip of 6 and 7. That's where we enter the long position. Okay, the flip of 6 and 7. The fact that it went so hard is amazing, but yeah, that's not something you should assume to happen. Okay. Oof, look at this sorry for my language. Look at this 5-minute wick down, guys. I think the move might have already gone without us here. This might just be a continuation play instantly. That would be crazy. That would be actually pretty sad, to be honest, but we'll see. What up? Hope you're doing good, bro. Toby, hope you're doing good, bro. Hope you're doing good, bro. Welcome back to the live stream. Yeah, let's see what happens here, guys, during the open. What a wick down, by the way. What a wick down instantly. What's happening here for gold? Yeah, gold is still ranging around. I'm not taking this entry just off yet, guys. We have to open in a couple of minutes here. What a wick to the downside. I hope we still get the opportunity to trade this, but I feel like it might not give it to us. That would be quite upsetting. But we'll see what happens here. What a wick to the downside, guys. What is this? It's only 30 points, but it looks massive in this market. What is the ATR right now? Let's have a look here. Let's have a look what the ATR is. Okay, it's only 20 points. Okay, that's not massive. So you have an average of 20 points here, guys. That's not massive. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. We have the open in 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Are you trading also gold? Yeah, we could potentially trade gold today. We'll have to see, though. I have to see if I'm okay with that. I traded gold this morning. I traded on the CFD account. So the moment I will trade gold, I will let you know. And then I execute on my phone on MT5. Okay? That's how I do it personally. Low, okay. I have no idea what you're talking about, though, Brian. I don't know what you want me to... what do I need to request for you, bro? I have no idea, man. Which one is the most likely to be followed? The Nasdaq follows S&P or the S&P follows the Nasdaq? There's no written rule for that, bro. It's not written in stone which one will follow the other. Most of the time, directionally speaking, I would say that you could follow S&P. But it likes to divert from each other, right? So it's like they like to move in sync, but they're also separate markets. Are you using SMT for Confluence in your setup? Yeah. Oh, you guys don't see the screen. Sorry, here you go. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, so I was looking for potential shorts from this area. I just did not. I wasn't in time to take the entry here, which is easy to say after it runs in your favor. But I'm still looking for a potential short. I just have to see what happens during the open. See how we close, how we open the 9:30 and how we then close the first half an hour potentially. All right, we got how many votes do we have? We have a total of 70 votes. All right, we have almost 50% of you guys are looking for longs. Let's see what happens today. 80 viewers, by the way. Smash up the like if you enjoy the live stream. That would be highly appreciated. Oh, and they're wicking all the way back up again. Seems like the entire move already happened before the open. What the fuck? What is this shit? Let's have a see. Do we have major news today? No. There's an interesting market today, guys. I hope that the news or that the open is gonna do it for us here, though. Sorry, Snowfall. Yeah, I'm just excited, bro. I thought it messed up the timing. Yeah, that move pre-open. Yeah, it's a pretty interesting move here. It's a pretty interesting move. Yeah, let's see what happens, guys. Let's see what happens. I like the 15-minute breaker. Are you looking for longs then, or for shorts? Or you talking about this breaker to the downside? Or you talk about this one? The highest break below. Yeah, let's see, man. I don't know. Let's see. I mean, look at this. Look at this market, bro. Look at this. What a V-shaped recovery back up. 60 points back up. Just like that. Just before the open here, guys. Just before the open. It likes to take everyone out. Take everyone out here. Crazy. Crazy. Let's see what we have for today. It's gonna be interesting for sure. Hey guys, if you have anything you want to share with me, share it on the international chat here. If you have any setup or whatsoever, we can go over it if you share it in here. Would be awesome to look at what you guys are looking at. All right, we got the open in 22 seconds here, guys. 22 seconds. Let's see what we have. Let's see what we have here. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, here we go. That's the open. Big sell-off to the downside. Big sell-off to the downside. All right. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens here, guys. Free fall. Yeah, you could say that. Gold is not moving. That's interesting. Gold is just quiet. Gold is not going anywhere. Let's see. Yeah, big sell-offs here, guys. Big sell-off. Potentially coming back to the open of the day. Manufacturing POI at 645. Oh yeah. But it's not. That's not probably gonna be really major here, bro. News related, right? I know. Yeah, we have it in 40. Let me see. In 15 minutes, we have some news. It's probably not gonna be major though. It's probably not gonna be major. Yeah, exactly, Moxie. Yeah, it looks like it, my friend. It looks like indeed a retest, a continuation, but I don't want to enter at the open. It's a bit too frisky for me personally, so I'd rather miss out on the trade. It is what it is. We'll see what happens though. We'll see what happens. This could be a retest into the first presented fair value gap and a continuation play. But it could also retake the New York session high and then do the flip. Yeah, big sell-off, guys. Okay, bias related, we're definitely correct on the day. No way for me to enter it as of yet, though. I could have said maybe I want to enter it of 6, have a big wide stop on it, but yeah. Yeah, it's a big question here, bro. It's like, look at this stuff. What a sink, guys. What a sink to the downside. Oof. Let's see what happens. Did any of you guys catch this move to the downside? If so, congratulations. Nice one, if you caught it to the downside here. What's gold doing? Gold is still hanging around. Chilling around still. Gold is still chilling around here, guys. Yes, I flipped short fast. Oof, nice. Congrats. Congrats. Alright, let's see what gold does here. Good closure on gold could be the short for me here, guys. The order book is thin. If there's not a lot of orders holding it up, then it could definitely fall through here. We got 48 seconds left on this 5-minute candle, guys. 40 seconds left on this 5-minute candle. Whew. I use a 1 second and a 10-second chart to get in and out. Okay then. Yeah, that is fast. That's really fast. Yeah, that's really fast. You managed to do it though, so that's nice. Alright, I'm looking for a sell here, guys, on gold. Looking for a sell here on gold. If they want to come back up, then I look for the sell here. Got my sell limit is placed here at 9 o'clock. If they reach back up, and then I would be tagged in here. So let's see. I'm not tagged in yet, as you can see here. Okay, I got my sell limit placed here. I'm using the profits that I made this morning in my London session on the gold long here. I'm not in still. It's kind of upsetting. All right, now I'm in. Let's see what happens. So I'm in the short here on gold. I'm looking for displacement back to LDO. Could also be that this is the bottom wick for the New York Stock Exchange session and they're gonna move it higher. So manage your risk here. Manage your risk. Yeah, we're still hanging around here on the M&Q. No way to enter here. Let's see though. Finally, I'm in from the top. Julia, well played. Congratulations. Congratulations. A 1-minute RSI for NQ was at 81.851 at the open, so I had a hard push to bring it up, and then the RSI was free to dump. Oh, nice. Ugh. Did I get faked into this position here? Let's see what happens. What a 5-minute candle though. They recovered the 5-minute instantly. You do have a non-bottom wick here, or non-top wick on the 3. They could take it and reverse again. But what a candle here on gold. Maybe a bit too strong to sell into it yet. We'll see though. We'll see what happens. All right, yeah, we're just selling through here on M&Q. For whoever caught it here, well played. You're in an amazing position at the moment. I would say Asia lows at 270 could be the target. Previous day lows at 200 could be the target. No way for me to jump on the train, sadly. Could have said that I wanted to take it just before the open, but yeah, the open is so tricky, guys. The open could say I want to go the other way, and it just goes up, right? Because that's the open. Just a lot of volume. High lambda is what you see now. Slice and dice territory. Yeah, I still don't know what you mean the high lambda, bro. I'm sorry. I have no idea what you mean. What I see is a clear directional bias for the New York Stock Exchange open. That's what I see. That's what I see, my friend. Yeah, let's see if they want to come back to the 200s here. If that's the case, yeah. For the guys that are in, well played. Alright, I got taken out on gold here. That went fast. So I gave back whatever I made on the first trade here on the London session. Alright. It is what it is. What a recovery instantly though. That's interesting. All right, let's see what's gonna happen. Got 102 people in the chat. If you guys enjoy the live streams, make sure to smash up the like, and we'll do a giveaway later today. So smash it up, and you'll be part in the giveaway instantly, you guys. Smash it up. So the recovery on gold, it's not gonna go down, I guess. It's just too strong. Let's see what the dollar is doing actually. Dollar was rising. Gold just didn't respond to it. Let's see what oil is doing. Oil is also rising. Okay, gold baby. Why you want to be so bullish? Why you want to be so bullish? If this ends up being a top take, that would be really upsetting. What's the best moment you had as a trader? Moment as in? Moment as in? What are you referring to, Snowfall? Alright, we're getting into the oversold territory here for the RSI. Let's see if they wanna give something here to us. I don't want to buy into this, to be honest. I was looking for the shorts. Hopefully we can get the opportunity to short it further, but it doesn't look like it. The best memory as a trader. My first ever payout that I got by actual good trading. By actual good trading, okay? That was the best memory that I have about trading. Because anyone can get a payout by just full porting your account. But if you actually trade it correctly and you do what you're supposed to do, that's the best feeling there is, guys, okay? That is the best feeling there is. Truly. So it just depends on how you reach it, you know? Because when I had... I told you guys before, I had a $12,000 payout in my beginning. So when I started trading, like a year in, I had a $12,000 payout. And I blew that 2 weeks later on the live account. Even when I made that $12,000, I wasn't as happy as I got my first payout, which was like significantly less. But it was good trading, okay? And I was really happy for that. I was really happy with that. Do you still blow accounts? Of course, my friend. Yes. I still get emotional from time to time. I'm not special. All right, I'm not special. I don't wanna persuade you guys into believing that I'm some magical trader, because I'm not. I still mess up from time to time, guys. Okay. It's way less than before. Okay, don't get me wrong. It's way less than before, but I still mess up from time to time. And that's just the reality of trading, guys. A lot of these influencers, social media gurus, are trying to make you perceive that they never do that. But trust me, they do, okay? Trust me, they do. More often than you can imagine. Let me see this a little bit better here. Boom, like that. Awesome. Good to hear. What, did I blow up? Do you like that? Okay. Thank you, I guess. I'm not gonna be emotional about it. I might shed some tears, but no, I'm joking. No, I'm joking. What do you think about the initial balance? How long should it be? Should it be like 1 hour? What do you think to trade based on that? You mean the initial balance? So you mean about the opening range? I'm thinking you're referring to, right? Of the New York Stock Exchange Open. We buying gold, right? No, I sold gold. I tried to sell gold to the downside here, but it instantly recovered the entire 5-minute candle. I bought it earlier today though, so I'm for now I'm break even on gold for the day. I'm overall up on MNQ today. I had 2 trades on MNQ, but there's no opportunity for me here to trade it again, which is sad. I would like to take another trade here, but we'll see. Did the 12K change your life? No. Yeah, well, it did. 2 weeks later, I blew it in a live account, okay? So the 12K, yeah, it stayed in my pockets for about, what is it? 24 hours in a day. What is it, like 260 hours or something like that? So I had it for 260 hours. and then it was gone again. Okay. And I blew it, and it was a lot of money for me. What, like, it changed my life in the sense that I couldn't sleep for 3 weeks afterwards when I blew it. So no, it had no drastic change in my life whatsoever afterwards, because the money was gone, right? It was just gone. Like, I felt horrible. Yeah, we're just continuing shorting to the downside here, guys, for MNQ. Yeah, I like to believe that I had an opportunity to buy or to sell it here, but I don't think so, personally, that I had any opportunity to get involved here, unless I just had the choice made beforehand, right? But yeah, I didn't. It is what it is, though. It is what it is. We got 59 likes, 93 people watching. If you guys enjoyed the live stream, make sure to smash up the like. We'll do a giveaway later today if we hit 100 likes. So go for it. Smash it. Smash it like you mean it, and then potentially we can do a giveaway here. I'm still willing to potentially look for a trade on gold. I'm still preferring shorts. I'm not going to just randomly enter it, though. I'm going to wait and see what happens here. We got a new 4-hour open in 15 minutes. And this just keeps dropping. Just keeps dropping, guys. We just keep dropping here. And we're buying ourselves up pretty heavily on ES. ES is holding itself steady, though. If you look at it, if you compare both assets here, look at ES. ES is deciding to not go down further. And this could be a sign for a potential reversal play. If this holds up and continues to rise, then we could potentially look for the reversal at the open of that 10 o'clock candle. So what could be the play? You have a reversal down, take liquidity, and then have the reversal play higher again. It's something we could look for at 10 o'clock. But for now, no bueno for now, guys. For now, it's no bueno. No bueno. Let's see what gold's doing here. Gold's still playing around. Gold's not really doing anything. Not really doing anything. A lot of movement today, though, for a Friday. For a Friday, there's a lot of movement. Like, I wasn't expecting this, to be honest. Looking at how the whole week was on the New York session. The whole week was, like, horrible the moment you got into, like, New York. Look at this. And then you go back, and then you have New York session here. You just rate liquidity down, and then you just chop around. Interesting, though. Interesting market today. Interesting market this week, I could say. Hi, Thomas. How do you skill in and take partials on deep charts? I have a 50k futures account from IQ. Let me log into one of my evals. Give me 1 sec. I want to make sure that I'm trading the eval. Give me 1 sec. Let's see. I could trade 83s in eval. Okay. All right. So let me show you. Okay. So the moment let's say for guys, this is just an example. Okay. Don't take it. I'm just making an example here. Okay. Let's say I buy one now. So I buy one micro contract. I could buy in one more if I want to, but you have to understand the moment I buy in that my position is going to be calculated in the difference from entry. So let's say I buy below, it will be put on 50% of the move, okay, of the move down. And anytime I scale into a position, either up or down or whatever, it's gonna do the calculations, okay. And let's say I want to sell one off now. I sell one off, right? It takes one off, and then I take one more off, and that cost me 67 bucks, by the way. So I hope that works for you. And if you take partial, so let's say I shorted here now, right? Let's say I shorted, and if I want to take partials, I could say that I want to take off 3 when it goes down. So I use a buy limit to buy myself out of the position, okay? I use a buy limit to buy myself out of the position. You see what I'm saying? And for stop losses and stuff, you can just use this, and you can use this and stuff like that, okay? And this, just educating you, cost me already like a lot of bucks here. Let's hope it falls so I can make my money back. otherwise it's your fault. No, I'm joking. But let's hope it falls though, because this eval was pretty good. This eval was already at what is it, 40% of the thingy. Let's see if this falls. And we still made a good trade if this happens. This was an unintentional trade, by the way, just so you guys know. But you never know. You never know what happens here. So yeah, does that make sense? Hobby? Does that make sense, my friend? So I can scale in whenever I like. I can scale out whenever I like. I can buy one off. I can take one off. I can take one in. Stuff like that, you know? That's just how it works. All right, seems like we're sinking. 74 could be the target here if this really wants to go. I would take off 3 if we hit 90 bucks to secure. Okay, that's so easy. Yeah. Do you use ATAs as well? No, I do not use ATAs. I'm not saying they're good as well though. Like, but I like deep charts. I like deep charts a lot. Let's pass this eval now. Well, yeah, if I were you, I wouldn't take this position because I'm now stuck in this position for teaching you. So I hope this position actually goes the opposite direction here, because otherwise that would be quite upsetting here. It is what it is. It is what it is. We'll see. I'll see what happens. You better flip now. I was trying to be helpful. The market gods need to help me here. At least 2 contracts in order to take partials. Yeah, for sure. Alright, the market gods did not appreciate me helping you, bro. Oh, why don't you use trend lines anymore? What do you mean? I have, you mean these ones? I have them still. I have them still. Oh, you mean trend lines? What do you mean trend lines by, bro? I hope I can get out of this position. It would be nice. If they want to sink it through a little bit. You can afford that, he says. Yeah, but... support and resistance. I don't really... like, it's not that I use support and resistance, but yeah, this is like similar. It's a similar approach here. And we're holding up at the daily open at the moment, guys. Which is not ideal. They might just go first up, to be honest. Before they want to go down further. This trade, you should not take this trade whatsoever, guys, by the way. Just so you know. This was an explanation about how you take partials. I would never sell down here if with like true intention, okay? Just so you know that. Let's see if they want to get. Let's see if they want to make me a happy man today and take me out of this position. Yeah, just sink it already. Are you kidding? You gonna wig me out like that? You gonna not do it? Let's see if they wanna. Let's see if they wanna go through here. Just give me like at least my 60 bucks back, and then we're friends again. That would be the explanation cost. Just give it to me, baby. Your suggestion on the 50k account Evo, yeah, 1 to 3 is enough, bro, to be honest. Bro, are you kidding me? Just give it already, baby. Nice. Oh, it took it fully out. Wait, how? I'm drunk. What the fuck? Oh, I had 4 instead of, okay, yeah, that's my bad. Okay. Hey, at least I made my money back here, okay? At least I made my money back. I'm glad I could educate you for free here. Glad. Why in this position? I just explained it. This was an educational position here. I had to explain someone how to. I had to explain to someone how to take partials. Language. Oh yes. Sorry guys. Sorry. But I had to explain to someone how to take partials. So I had to take it here, but it was a little bit of a rough position. I know you don't know about lambda, but this is what high lambda looks like. So you mean high volume? High volume, clear direction, thin book. That's what you're referring to, right? Yeah, maybe, yeah. Like, I don't understand lambda, bro. I wish I knew. Alright, we have 67 people that like the stream. We have 93 people watching. If you guys enjoy the live stream, make sure to hit the like. Hit the like button. Hit the like. Let's see what happens here, guys. It seems like we're selling off again here for gold. Am I willing to give this another crack? Again, no bottom, no top wick on this tree, guys. They're playing around a little bit here. They're playing around a little bit. Let's see what happens. Okay, M&Q sunk it all the way down here. M&Q sunk it all the way down. Yeah, for the guys that took this, well played. Like, I have nothing else to say. This just went all the way. It sunk all the way. It's falling off a cliff, literally. So whoever took this, well played, guys. That's really nice. I was looking for, you can see it here. Like, I was looking for the shorts since this morning. When I said it on my London live stream, I said I'm looking for shorts. Yeah, maybe I could have taken them like this and just held on to them and just accepted the way it was. Like, the shorts was like really clear for me. I just didn't have the execution, sadly. It is what it is, though. Like, who knows? We might reverse it on 10, but I wasn't expecting a free fall like this, to be honest. Like this drastically. Like, looking at the previous sessions here for the New York session, it was a bit choppy, right? So I was like, maybe it's gonna chop around a bit, give us the entry, and just go slowly. But M&Q thought, no, I'm not gonna give you your entry. We're just gonna go without you. I guess that's just how it is, guys. I guess that's just, yeah. But who knows? We got a new 4-hour opening in 5 minutes from now. So potentially we'll have to wait for that and see what happens afterwards. Gold is buying itself back up again. Gold is probably in a no trade zone for me. It's not really doing anything here. So considering just letting gold outside for now. We tried the short play after I had the long play this morning. Didn't play out as expected. Right? I was looking for the continuation of the New York session delivery, and back towards the relative equal lows and the consolidation at the downside. But it didn't do it. It didn't do it. All right. What are you guys looking for? Let me know in the chat. Are you guys looking for anything? ES target 765, I think. Oh, okay, yeah. That could definitely be the case. Back towards previous day low. That would be nice. Then you still have some downside potential here for M&Q. Yeah, it's nice because you already caught the short, Julia, right? You already had it, so you caught it at the top, which is amazing. Congratulations. But yeah, I'm not in. So I have to watch it go and see you guys make money and not make any money in the meantime. At least you guys caught it, so that's amazing. At least you guys caught it. In the future, do you want to sell paid courses? Not necessarily, no. Why are you asking? When I say high lambda, what it means is high impact cost is high because the book is thin. Lambda is calculated measure of that. Oh, okay, I see what you mean. I see what you're saying. Okay. So it's just a higher there's a higher risk on entries, which is basically what you're saying. Why are you asking the Mystic Glimpses? Hope you're doing alright, by the way. Nice name. Interesting what's happening here, guys. So you had two shorts, two longs to the upside, and the actual move that you want to take went without me. But who knows? We got 2 minutes here for the new 4-hour open. Let's see what happens. Let's see if they want to give us the entry here. That would be nice. Oh, I'm Snowball using this account to like the live. Okay, that's funny. Yeah, make sure to smash up the like, guys. If we reach 100 likes today, we'll definitely do a giveaway. We'll definitely be doing a giveaway. Let's see what happens, though. Let's see what happens. Let me bring this forward a little bit. And let's see what happens. Let's see what happens, guys. But snowfall, no, not necessarily looking to sell anything in the future, my friend. I've not really interest in that. In becoming an educator on or making a course or whatever. Not necessarily, no. I think a lot of the information that you need to become a good trader is already out there for free. You just have to find something that works for you and make it work, right? Stick to it. Yeah, I think there's a lot of information out there for free. Who's still actively watching? Let me know in the chat. Press a 1 in the chat if you're actively watching. Let me know. I would like to know. Would be interested here. So we just swept Asia lows. Previous day low could still be a potential target here. Let's see what happens at the new 4-hour open here, guys. Let's see what happens in the new 4-hour open. It's 15 seconds away. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna put the 4-hour chart as well on my chart at the moment to have a look at what's gonna happen here potentially. Looks like a potential short continuation play, to be honest, right? So if we can rise it up, give some form of rejection to the downside, then I'm willing to look for the short continuation back to previous day low. If they take previous day low out and they flip and they give me some form of delivery back higher, then I might look for the opposing direction here, right? So this could be a potential short area. This could be a potential short here. If they come back, if they want to come back up here, that would be crazy. Wouldn't be bad at all if that happens. $85 viewers, 100 likes impossible. No, it's not. There's a lot of people that tune in and then stay around for a bit and then they leave again. We should be able to reach 100 likes for sure, my friend. And we're only live for 57 minutes, my guy. We still got some hours to go here. We still got some hours to go. A bit pissed. My 80 points up are my orders for shorts. Hey, it's part of the game, Electric. You know, you can't have them all. You can't have them all, sadly. I'm also a bit upset about the fact that I missed the shorts here. You know, like it is what it is. You know, it is what it is. You can't win them all. It's just you know, yeah. What can you do about it? What can you do about it, my friend? Nothing much, really. Based on your experience, is it better to go to break even or just let the trade run to break TP or stop loss? Okay, yeah, that's for me. Asking me that question, I might not be the right person to answer that question because I get stopped out on break even a lot, even though I don't have to. Because I like that. It gives me a feeling of rest, right? So it's like, it depends, man. Because you could also say that you don't really have to, because you have to lose to make money. It's just a part of the game. And sometimes it protects your capital, but also sometimes it protects the win. So you don't take the win because you get stopped out on break even. So it's a bit of a mix here. You know what I mean? It's a bit of a mix. Good to see you guys are still here, though. Appreciate you guys. We'll definitely do a giveaway later today. Just stick around and find out. Stick around and find out. If a trade goes in your direction and they see it reversing, I automatically put my stop loss to break even at entry. Yeah, I see what you mean. Yeah, but the thing is with the market, guys, the market moves in waves, right? It's a waving pattern, like a heartbeat. So a lot of people, they want to see the trade do this when they're in the shorts. But if your heart goes like this, you have a problem, okay? You die. So the market is a similar approach here. They need to recollect orders and balance out the market to continue the trend if they want to continue selling off, you know? That's just how it works. They take profit along the way, then they regather some orders, and then they continue its momentum down. For example, in this momentum, we can see now that we have a high set in, drastic move down. It could be that they're gonna do something like this. Recollect orders and then continue, right? Or they're gonna go all the way up, right? But this is something that could happen. So the moment they take previous day low, we look for the reversal play. And then a lot of people say, yeah, but the trend is bullish or bearish. Yes, I see that, okay? But the market has to go in waves. It has to go up and it has to go down. There's not a lot of instances where the market just continues to fall thousands and thousands of points to the downside, okay? That's not common. It could if there's something crazy happening, but most of the times it's not the case. Let's see what happens here, guys. We just opened 10 o'clock. We're trading below 10 at the moment. Trading at Asia low. I would like to potentially see them take previous day low first, before I then look for the reversal play higher. I don't want to trade it towards the previous day low though, because I think it's a little bit too dangerous. So I'm gonna just wait and stick around. Wait and find out is my approach right now. Oof. Really nice. Banking a lot of money here. Banking money. Congratulations, Mr. V. All right, let's see what happens. It's not a problem, Brian. You can talk about it. Just understand that I have no clue on what you're talking about, my friend. You know? I might, who knows? I might consider looking it up after the stream. But I've been doing pretty good for the last couple of years, I would say now. And anything like you understand as anyone else is that if you add stuff, it might cause clutter and not clarity, right? More information doesn't necessarily mean it's good for me, you know? 100k, 100 times 50k challenge giveaway for the bull market start? No. Nice idea, but it's not gonna happen. Nice idea. We're definitely gonna give away an account today though, so don't worry. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm just sharing something. There you go. 84 people, please. I just want to have a chance to win. Oh, you have a chance to win, bro. The odds are in everyone's favor, bro. You understand what I'm saying? Like, there's no guarantee in winning. I mean, the fact that we're giving away an account every single day is more than enough. You know what I'm saying? We could also not give anything away at all. You see what I mean? And we're giving it away because we want to help you guys out. And sometimes we'll do a bigger giveaway and we give a little bit more away. It just depends, you know? It just depends. Let's see what happens here, guys. We're trading back above 10 o'clock. Delivery switch. Yeah, electric. I'm looking into it, bro. I see what you're saying here. I'm not highly confident as of yet, though, because the daily low is still intact here below us. So I might not like that as of yet, personally. I might actually consider putting a short on here. If they trade below. You have the retest of the daily open. This could also be a short continuation play, bro. If they inverse this gap, then this could be a continuation short play. What up, Voltaire? Hope you're doing good, bro. Anoop, missed the move. Yeah, I missed it myself as well, my friend. I missed it myself as well, sadly. It happens, though. Icebergs are pinning. And what do you mean by that, Brian? Let me know, my friend. I'm here to learn. I'm here to learn from you as well. Patience, yeah, for sure. Yeah, we came back into the daily open, so we're still trading below it. Let's see what happens here. I think the previous day low could still be the target. We have to see what happens. They might want to trade higher. From here, that could also be the case. Let's have a look here. Placing icebergs. Yeah, well, what is the meaning of an iceberg, bro? You mean massive orders or hidden orders is what you're telling, if you're saying, right? Icebergs, I think. I hope you understand that for no one that trades order flow, it sounds vague. You see what I mean? Like there's no understanding to the word iceberg. Like you could, if you could explain it a little bit deeper. Also for the people that are in the chat, that would be awesome. We have 90 people watching, 82 likes. We're coming near that 100 like goal today, guys. Let's see what happens. All right, we're testing the daily open. Let's see if we can break below 10 o'clock again. Switch the delivery on the 4 hour. Use it to go lower. If not, then we'll see what happens. Let's see if we can invert this gap. Use some of the profits that I made today for the New York session. Let's see what happens. All right, just open a new 5-minute candle. 5-minute closure looks okay. Not too crazy, not too shabby, but it doesn't look bad either. It doesn't look bad either. We're also selling off on ES. ES also giving us some downside potential. Let's see if we want to continue selling it off towards previous day low here, guys. Still holding up from the fair value gap. Oof, getting old. You can see them on the deep dumb. Iceberg are large fractionalized orders that institutions use to manipulate the dealer hedging to achieve their position option strike targets. Oh, nice. Getting an order flow masterclass from Brian here in the chat, guys. W for Brian. Thank you, bro. Appreciate it. Thank you. Yeah, Frank, you're right, bro. You're right, my friend. Let's see what we have. We have 87 likes. Make sure to smash up the likes. Smash up the like for a giveaway here, guys. We're gonna give away a 100k account today. All right, let's see. We're selling off a little bit here. Let's see if we can break through. Invert this gap. Give me that sign that we want to go lower. Alright, it's giving me the sign slowly. It's not there yet, though. Yeah, they're legends. The WWCE, the World Class Edge platform, guys, is a free platform where you can learn a lot. It's definitely an amazing platform. They're also the partner from IQ. We're partnering with them. If you study hard, you can get a free account. So make sure to study, guys. Make sure to study. All right, I'm starting to like this short setup here. All right, I'm gonna scale into the position here. I'm gonna give it some room already. So I entered in the position. Let's see if this wants to sell towards previous day low here, guys. Okay, towards 200. Let's see if they want to go. Take some off along the way here. And let's see if we can get this move to the downside here. Okay. How do you deal with over trading? Lock yourself out, my friend. If you can't handle yourself emotionally, you have to just lock yourself out. All right, let's see. Oh, that would be a nasty, nasty wick if they don't want to give it to us here. All right, thank you. All right, we got scaled out with 2 of them, leaving the last one running here on break even, hoping they will sink through for us here. Back towards that previous day low here. Back towards the 200s. Scale some out along the way. Make sure you secure some of your profits, and the rest is running on break even here. Let's see if this wants to continue, guys. Let's see if this wants to continue. Nice sell-off. We're taking it just before the previous day low. Never aim for the low, guys. If you aim for the low, they might they might mess around with you before they hit it. So we're gonna go for I think 20 is good enough. So we're aiming for 220. Let's see if they want to give that to us. 220 would be the target here. Let's see. Let's see if they want to go towards 220. So how you deal with overtrading? First of all, if you're doing it, you're aware of the fact that you're doing it, okay? You need to be attent with what you're making. You should stop asking yourself or look at the chart and say, oh, I could have taken this trade, I could have taken that trade, I could have taken this. Bro, there's 1,000 opportunities every single day, okay? You can probably find your edge 100 times per day. But the goal is to take one trade that works and move to the next day, you know? And consistently longer time horizon looking at it and making your money, okay? That's the goal. Longer time horizon. And making goals based on that as well. So don't make goals for the next 2 days. Make goals for the next 2 years, okay? Trading-wise. Great trade. Great trade. Thanks. Hey, no problem, man. Yeah, let's hope it plays out here. Could still buy itself all the way up. Like, trading is trading in the end of the day, my friend. Like, at least we made some money along the way already. We'll see what happens, though. We're buying ourselves up a little bit here on the S. It could reverse now if they want to. I've seen it happen before. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. I hope it continues. I hope it continues. Back towards previous day low would be nice. And then we'll have to see what happens here. If we take previous day low out, I would look for a reversal play personally. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens here. Let's see if they want to sink it through. We just opened a new 5-minute candle and a new 15-minute candle. So we could have the top here for the 15. Have a wick towards previous day low. Reverse the 15-minute candle. Look for the longs afterwards. And be billionaires tomorrow. Boom. That's what I'm talking about, guys. That's the energy I want. Drop a W in the chat. No, I'm just laughing here. Gay trade. Why? Why is that, Chris? I don't understand. Why is that? Hey, I have a question regarding IQ Capital. How do I lower my position price when I'm on a funded account? I have 100k funded and I risk a whole 100k. How do I lower it? What do you mean? Sorry, I have no understand what you're saying. San Paulo, I have no idea what you mean, bro. What do you mean you risk the 100k? You mean it? They're gonna reverse it just before our target. That would be quite upsetting here. We'll see though. It could still hold up and go down. W. Yeah, let's hope so. Let's hope this wants to take previous day low. Give it to us, baby. Oh, nice. It's selling. Please, San Paulo, let me know what you mean. You were saying gay trade. Oh, did I say gay trade instead of great trade? Oh, that's crazy. Oh, that's crazy. I was like, what do you mean gay trade? But okay, thank you. Great trade, guys. Wait, it opens a position on the whole 100k before funded I could open position, let's say with 5k, and then I have no idea what you mean, San Paulo. Sorry, bro. I've actually no idea. If you take a trade on a 100k account, you're using your 100k account. I have no idea what you mean. Sorry, bro. Yeah, I have no idea. You need to ask Discord because I have no idea what you mean, bro. If you have a 100k funded account, you're risking the 100k funded account. Like, it's not that you can divide the account. I have no idea what you mean. Sorry. I have no idea what you mean, my friend. Sorry. Alright, let's see if they want to take it to the downside here. What's gold doing? Yeah, gold's just messing about. Gold hasn't moved a single dime here. Gold hasn't moved a single dime. Yeah, you're not supposed to use your entire account on one single trade here, guys, okay? Alright, let's see if it wants to continue selling here. Back towards those previous day lows. Come on, baby. Give us 220. Give us 220. Alright, let's hope this was a sell it off further for us, guys. Give us that exit, baby. Give us that exit. 220. I know you got it in you. If you don't want to give it to me, I'm gonna take it out here. Give it to me. Boom. Shoot it down. Let's see. Yeah, okay, here you go. Yeah, I might flatten it here. Yeah, okay, whatever. Oh, I didn't flat it. Okay. Give it to me. Hey, you know what? Never mind. Okay, I took it at 225. Nice trade overall, guys. Well played. Alright, so well played. Good trade. W in the chat for this trade. I don't want to bottom tick this. I've felt it before. I don't care if they take it. It was only 10 bucks difference. Okay, I take it. Whatever. W for the trade. Well played, guys. Well played on this trade. It was a nice one. It was a great trade. Okay. It was a great trade. We waited for the delivery through 10 o'clock. Ended off 10 o'clock. Target towards previous day low. Take it a little bit earlier off. Took some partials along the way. Could have taken one off instead of two. But it was a good trade, guys. Well played. It was a good trade. Congratulations for anyone who took it here. Congratulations on anyone who took it. Really nice. Really nice. I have a video. I have a video that I need to show you guys now. Let me see. Let me see if I can find it. Where is it? Is it this one? I hope so.
All right, chat. We just hit our target.
Yeah, all right, chat. Buddy. All right. Let's have a look here.
All right, chat. We just hit our target. Unreal. We got this, chat. Time to celebrate. Let's go. Get up and dance with me. Woo! This is how we win. We got this. To the moon. Keep dancing, chat.
Hey,
we're crushing it.
W. Well played, everyone. Really nice. Really nice. All right, let's see what we have, though. Let's see what we have. I full ported. Hopefully I win a giveaway for a new account. That's not too bright here, bro. You shouldn't do that. Look at this. I'm glad I took it out here. Look at this. Look at them etching our take profit here, bro. Like, we're talking. Look at this. Do you see that? Do you guys see this? Please confirm it for me. We're talking about one tick. Our target was at 220. Okay? Look at this stuff. Look at this. Bro, that's crazy. I'm glad we took that out. Bro, look at that stuff. They're watching the live stream, guys. They're watching the live stream. Oh, we took some money home. We're up 700 for the day. So that's nice. Up some money on the day already. That's nice. Let's see if there's another trade later today, though. It's me, bro. I'm the market maker. Nice. How much are you guys up for today? Let me know in the chat. Let me know how much you're up for today. We got 99 likes, 99 problems, but isn't one. No, sure, I'm joking. How much you up today? Let me know. Made 70 bucks on that sell. Nice. Congratulations. Really nice, bro. Oh, I'm getting old, guys. Like, genuinely getting old. I blew my funded account today after a $1,700 payout. Ah, that's tough. Hey, at least you took home 1,700 bucks, bro. $155. Nice, Shishana. Nice. 670 from that sell. Oh, guys, you guys are banking money here. Holy dang. You guys are making money. Minus 250 from London. Ah, that's tough. Yeah, that's tough. Yeah, I've been good on the Nasdaq today. Today is a good day for me, trading wise, result wise, you could say. I have 3 trades today, and they all played out. So that's nice. That's nice overall. Let's hope it wants. Let's hope we can let the streak continue. Let's hope we can let the streak continue. How many likes do we have? 102 likes. W in the chat for the likes, guys. You guys are awesome. You guys are awesome. Winning trades and likes. What can you ask more for? This is just amazing. And we'll definitely do a giveaway here soon. We'll definitely be doing a giveaway here soon, okay? So stick around and we'll do the giveaway soon. I trade with Lucid, become a C2C trade here. Oh, thank you, bro. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. Oh, by the way, guys. By the way, on my own channel, I'm legit two subscribers away from 2,000. If you wanna subscribe to my channel and give me 2,000 subscribers, that would be highly appreciated. That's a milestone right there, okay? I'll drop it in the chat. I'm also live trading there. I live trade fully for IQ, so if you want to check me out in the London session, feel free to jump on board next week for the London session. And give me a like so I hit the hit the subscribe so I have 2,000, okay? Please, thank you, thank you. W for TJ. Yeah, thank you, bro. Highly appreciate it. Now you have 2K. You guys are awesome. I can't see it yet, but you guys are awesome. Highly appreciate it. All right, nice. We bought ourselves back higher again. I still think that previous day low could be in the side here. We're just gonna wait and see. We're gonna sit on our hands, not literally, but we're not gonna trade anymore until we see something happening here. Because I would like to see the reversal play back into the range. But I wasn't expecting it from here. I would like to see them take the previous day low first. But if that doesn't happen, we could also say that this could be the play, right? Back up, continuate, back to previous day low, right? So there's some options here. I do like to see them take it first, because then I'm more comfortable in taking the taking the reversal. So yeah, let's see, bro. Let's see what happens. Abo done, subscription done. Thank you guys. You guys are awesome. You guys are legends. All right, yeah, 2,000. You guys are legends. You guys are awesome. Thank you very much. Thank you. W in the chat. W in the chat. All right. Yeah. All right. Trade played out already. So nice. Alex W. Thank you, Alex, for subscribing to the IQ channel. You're a legend, bro. Thank you. And Iqbal as well, my friend. Hope you're doing good. Thank you for subscribing. Let me know where you guys are all from, by the way. We got 100 people watching right now. Where are you guys from? Let me know in the chat where you're from. I would like to know. Let me know where you're from. Zimbabwe. Oh, nice. Germany. Nice. Indonesia. Oh, wow, amazing. Boston. Pakistan, Australia, Chicago, Zimbabwe, London. Botswana, Portugal, Germany. Bro, woo! Luxgren, welcome. But look at this. Look at this. You know how blessed we are, guys. We're chatting together, looking at the charts, having an amazing time with people all over the planet. You know how crazy that is? The fact that we have people from Australia, America, Germany, Cyprus, Jupiter. Nice. All over the globe. I think it's amazing. I think that's worth a W here in the chat right now. I think that's amazing, guys. The fact that we can chat with each other, look at the charts, make money, have a good time. What more can you ask for? What more can you ask for, guys? We're blessed to be alive, guys. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Check gold, Tommy. No, yeah, I was looking for the short. We took a short earlier today. I took the long. I'm overall break even on gold today. I think gold is a little bit iffy. I think it's too strong. Like, I was looking for the reversal play, but it feels like it's being bought up, like manipulated to the upside here. So I personally, yeah, it's not it for me, my friend. It's not it for me. Personally. So yeah, not for me, man. Not for me. We will be starting the giveaway shortly, guys. We will be starting it shortly. Don't worry. Okay? We will be starting it shortly. Not yet, though. Shortly. Shortly. Not yet. Who knows? Gold might reverse. It looks. I'm looking at my MT5 at the same time. It might look like it wants to reverse, but I'm not comfortable with it, with the amount of strength that it has. I'm not too comfortable with it. All right, let me set up the link for the giveaway, guys. Are you ready for it? You guys ready? Press the 1 in the chat if you're ready for it. Let me set up a giveaway for you guys here. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let me make sure I log into the right account. All right, let's see. Give me a second here. All right, we're setting the giveaway up. Setting up the giveaway for a 100K CFD. Oh, I don't think I'm allowed to. Give me 1 second, guys. Give me 1 second. 1 sec. I'm trying to figure it out here. Give me 1 sec. All right, give me 1 sec. I'm messaging the team here. I will set up a giveaway for you shortly. Okay, give me 1 second. Thomas, you are very lucky. You're 23 years old and trading is evolving. When I was 23, almost 20 years ago, I used to waste my time on Yahoo chat room. I don't know if I'm lucky. I make the decision to do this, right? Sure, you could say that I'm lucky for the fact that I have the capability of doing this, and I'm sure lucky for the fact that people decided to work on technology, and that it is what it is today. But overall, I made my own decision here, right? No one else did it for me, so it's a bit of a mix, I would say. All right, big shorts on gold. Big shorts on gold for the guys that took it. Looks like the reversal is still into play here, like you said. Wasn't expecting it personally, to be honest. But yeah, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens on gold. If they want to set it off all the way, then we might look for a short, but it doesn't look too clean for me personally. Gotta be honest with you. Let's see what happens here for MNQ, guys. I think MNQ could give us another sell opportunity, but I'm not going to take it personally. I would look for the reversal play personally. Let's see. Give me 1 second, guys. Alright, we're gonna do a giveaway. Are you guys ready? Let me know if you guys are ready in the chat. We're gonna do a 100k. Never mind. It's not ready yet. Give me 1 sec. I don't know why I have some troubles here. It should be ready almost. Sorry, guys. Having some troubles here, but we're gonna do a giveaway. having some troubles here. It will be coming shortly, though. Don't worry, it will be coming shortly here. Almost ready for it. All right, let's see what happens here for gold. Some technical difficulties, yeah, something like that. What's happening for gold? Gold is looking like it wants to sell off a little bit, which is interesting. I think we need to wait for the 1 hour to close on gold. Yeah, you might be right here. You might be right. Yeah, I'm not trading gold overall. I'm trading the Nasdaq today. If gold wants to go, then gold has to go. The decline yield pumping. Yeah, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens, guys. Yeah, we're still ranging around now here for the remaining of the current open. Let's see, maybe the new hour is gonna do something here for MNQ. I would look for the reversal and then the long play personally. That would be the most ideal situation, what I would be looking for. Big sells on gold. Whoever called the sells on gold, congratulations. I'm looking at it on my phone. It's selling off like a tank right now. I'm not trading it, but it tanks like a genius. So whoever called that short, it's going. We got 100 people watching, by the way. If you enjoy the live streams, make sure to smash up the like. When entering in the pullback, is it always good to enter the 50% of the fair value gap of the imbalance? Yeah, you could say so, for sure. You know, like if you... It depends, bro. Like, it depends on the scenario. So let's say, for example, you want to enter on a continuation play. So you have a candle here, right? And you have a fair value gap in here, for example, right? Candle's also here, right? And you have a candle, whatever, candle right here, right? Like this. If the new 15 opens up, you would like the bottom wick to be formed here, and then you wait for the flip, and then you enter and you can put your stop below the 50-minute low, right? And then you see, okay, if it taps 50% and then goes, you see that there's like algorithmic approach in the market. You see if it's precise. That's why I would say it could be really nice. Just depends, you know, depends on the situation most of the times. Tommy, how come that my 50k Evo is not allowed to trade MYM and MGC? Because you need a subscription for those, bro. It's only $4 a month, but they took it away because most people trade NQ or ES, right? So they want to keep the cost as low as possible for the people that want to buy the accounts. Otherwise, they have to increase price, because otherwise they have to pay a lot more extra every month per account. And they want to keep it as low as possible for the guys that want to trade. So this is a bit of good intention here. So yeah, that is the main reason, my friend. Yeah, let's see what gold does at this level here, guys. This might be the level where they want to buy themselves up again. Or it flips here. Could be interesting to see what happens. Looks like it's flipping. Flip and push would be something like 630 maybe. I'm not trading gold, guys. I don't really like how it displays into the downside. I'm waiting for my setup again for MQ here. We just took a short setup for the guys that were here. Well played. Yeah, I have a video. It's a 10-minute video where I explain on how I look at the charts. If you're interested in that, I can share that with you. It's a free video. It's unlisted on YouTube. There you go. Alright, we're going higher here on MGC on gold. I'm not in this trade, Julia. I already took this trade. Congratulations on 2K. Thank you. Thank you, my friend. I appreciate that. Thank you very much. Highly appreciate it. Alright, we're buying ourselves up again for gold. Interesting market, guys. We're also buying up a little bit for M&Q. I would like for M&Q to go lower still. Let's see what happens though. Oh, I accidentally pressed the wrong button. Are we still here? Are we still here? Let me know. Let me know if we're still here. Accidentally pressed the wrong button on my keyboard. We're still here? Awesome. Awesome. Now let's see what happens for M&Q, guys. We're just shopping around a little bit. I hope to see some lower prices so we can actually buy the reversal play. But until that happens, we can't really do anything. Luckily, we already got a good trade out of it. Let's see about the giveaway, guys. Give me 1 sec. Yes, alright, awesome. Giveaway is ready, guys. Who's ready for the giveaway? Let me know in the chat. Giveaway is ready. Let me set it up for you guys. Was a little bit of technical difficulties here, but we're ready. We're ready for the giveaway. Let's set it up here. See if one's connect. Awesome. Alright, let's see. Let me know in the chat if you guys are ready for the giveaway. I'm going to send it out to you guys right now in the chat. Here you go. Link is in the chat. Sign up. Sign up for the giveaway. Sign up for the giveaway. Sign up for the giveaway. Link is in the chat. Sign up with only one account. Don't sign up with multiple accounts. If you do that, you're going to get blocked. Don't do it, guys. Don't test me. Don't test me, please. Thank you. Sign up for the giveaway right now. All right, we gotta sign up for the giveaway right now. Awesome. Sign up for the giveaway, guys. We got a total of 73 people sign up for the giveaway. Close, please. No. How many giveaways have you already done? Why is it always CFD and not crypto? This is also crypto. It shows you crypto right here. It's a crypto and CFD account we're giving away here. How do you sign up? The link is in the chat. It says checkout. If you press it, then you can get into the giveaway. That's how it works. How many giveaways have you already done? This is the first one, my friend. This is the first one. I gave away as well this morning on the London stream. I also did a giveaway this morning. So second giveaway of the day. Let's see what happens here, guys. We're still ranging around the open of 10 o'clock. There's really no reason for me to enter here. Gold, yeah, I don't like gold overall. Tried to short it earlier today, but then it went in choppiness. I'm not tempted to take a trade on gold, personally. Do you make a London stream on IQTV? No, I stream on my own channel during the London stream. Or the pre-New York stream, you could call it. Then I trade on my own channel. Feel free to tune in, you guys, if you want to. Is that inversion gap still valid? No. No. How many giveaways do you do in one stream? One. I give away one account per stream. Who knows? In the future, we might do it differently here, guys. Of course. Are you still working together with Claude here, Electric? Let me know. Refining the thing. Let me know. Okay, the time on watch. So I'm live on my own channel at 6 a.m. 6 a.m. in the New York time. So that's 12 p.m. Central time. Let's see. Let's see what happens here, guys. Let's see if we can break out the yes or the no. I'm still preferably looking for the lows before I would look for the highs, but we'll see what happens here. We got a new hourly candle opening in a couple of minutes from now. What's your personal YouTube account? It's Thomas Jacoba with the C. Thomas Jacoba with the C, my friend. Alright, fam. So that's this one. Right here. I'll send you the link. If you want to tune into the London stream, make sure, yeah, you can do that if you want to. At the moment, I'm forward testing, gathering some data, and get back to you. Waiting also on a PDF question I sent you. Yeah, oh yeah, sure. Yeah. Thank you. I'll look into that after the live stream today. It's Friday, guys. What are you guys gonna do on the weekend? The week went by just like that. Week is gone, guys. The week is gone. Went fast for sure. What are you guys gonna do on the weekend? Let me know in the chat. What are you guys gonna do? When will you close your giveaway? In 51 minutes, bro. Friends housewarming in Brooklyn. Nice. Research. Nice. Well played. Staycation. Oh, staycation. Nice. It's gonna be a rainy, cozy weekend at home doing nada. Nice. 602 accounts. Well played. Mario, Will, nice, bro. Resting the mind and the body. Nice. That's nice, Electric. Yeah, let's have a look. Let's have a look how far it is, bro. That's nice to hear. That's looking bright. The future is looking bright, my guys. The future is looking bright. Ooh. Mix, nice. Gym and sauna. Ooh, nice. Really nice, my friend. I have a sauna at home. I went into it yesterday. The giveaway is only for a crypto account. No, it's a Forex account. We're giving away a 100k CFD account. Don't enter with 2 accounts. By the way, guys, if you enter with multiple accounts, you're not gonna get the giveaway here. Okay, so don't do that. Just a warning. All right, let's see what happens. We're still not really doing anything. I'm glad we had a nice trade to the downside here, because this is some choppy choppy right now, guys. Some choppy choppy. Choppy, choppy, choppy. Let's see what happens once we touch back into the daily open. Let's see if it might want to reverse to the downside from here. We never know. We never know, guys. Have some reversal to the downside, back to previous day low, and then look for that long continuation play. That's ideal, because that's what I would be looking for personally. We'll have to see whether or not this is the case. Have to see whether or not this is the case, guys. I would love to see it come down and then go higher. That would be ideal for me personally. But yeah, you never know what happens with Nasdaqistan here, guys. Right? Nasdaqistan. Let's see. Do you trade more limit or market order? It depends. Sometimes I like the limit in, but sometimes I also just wait for the market order. So that means that this, for example, we took a market order to the downside here instead of a limit. So it just depends on the situation. ES is displacing pretty high up here, guys. ES likes to do it. MNQ is not following through yet. Not a big problem, to be honest, because I would like to see lower prices before it goes higher. But it could also be that this is going to be a reversal back to the upside, and then we look for the shorts. This could also be definitely the play here. Looking at ES, ES actually has a lot of liquidity resting below still, which is untested. Could be a target for later in the day, and maybe NQ wants to follow through with that. You never know. Why am I tired? I don't even know. Why am I tired? I have no idea. We have a giveaway. 46 minutes left, guys. Make sure to smash up the like if you want to be a part of this giveaway. And sign up through the link in the chat, of course. Sign up through the link in the chat to become part of this giveaway, guys. To become part of this giveaway. Hey Mario, thank you very much, bro. See you next week, my friend. Weak PA drains energy. Yeah, 100%. That's why I'm trying to avoid trying to calculate what happens now. I'm just not really trying to do anything here. I'm just gonna wait. Just gonna wait and see. Just gonna wait and see. Trying to see if any of you one is trying to be sneaky here. Trying to see if this is the case. I don't think so. I think you guys are legends. I tell you guys before, if you do it with 2 names, we will detect it, so don't do it. It's not worth it. Only join with 1 name here, guys. Or with 1 account, is what I'm saying. And let's see what happens here. We're breaking out to the upside for sure. Could just be that this is going to be the top wick for the continuation move lower. That's what I would be looking for personally. So I'm waiting for a potential not a short to the downside here. A potential not a short to the downside here, guys. That's what I'm currently waiting on. Not from here, though. It's a bit of an iffy, this one. What is ES doing? Let's have a look at ES. ES is holding itself up pretty strongly here at the moment. If you guys see this, ES is actually pushing itself higher pretty drastically at the moment. Interesting market. Interesting market, guys. We took some money out of it, so let's see if we can take some more out of it. That's the big question. Whether or not they wanna bless us with it is the big question, of course. We're at the daily VWAP. Is that the case? Let me use the anchored VWAP here. Give me 1 sec. The daily VWAP, daily open is right here. Yeah, we're near the daily VWAP for sure. You're right. We're near the daily VWAP right now. Hey Electric, have a wonderful weekend, bro, and enjoy being a DJ, my friend. Having a lot of people partying. I'll speak to you sooner than later, my friend. Have a lovely weekend, my friend. Lovely weekend to you, my friend. Let's see what's happening right now, guys. Let's have a look what happens. We're still trading up slowly. No reason for me to enter now at the moment as of yet. Still waiting for a potential entry here. Still waiting for a potential entry. Yeah, moving higher, moving higher. Did I see any opportunity to longs? No. No opportunity for me to long here, so we just have to wait and see what happens. No way for me to long. Do you guys have any... Are you guys trading right now? Are you guys in any positions? Let me know in the chat if you're looking at any positions. If you're in any position, let me know in the chat. Next short is 61.8. You mean right here? I don't know, my friend. I'm waiting for the confirmation personally. I'm waiting for the confirmation personally, so I'm not trading at the moment. I'm expecting a short still, but yeah. Still waiting. I think previous day low could be the target, but it's also Friday, of course, so they could also say they could also stay inside this complete day. I wouldn't think that happens, but you never know. You never know. We still have some downside potential as well on the yes. We never actually took the lows on the yes, so I'm also looking at those. 29.416 go short. Yeah, let's see what happens, bro. Let's see what happens. You might be right. We'll see what happens when once they come there. I'm just waiting for the flip of the candle, the creation in the sense that I like, and then I would be okay with taking a position here. Until that happens, I'm not taking anything. So he took the highs here. Took the highs. Touch the VWAP. Is this going to be the continuation short play is the question. Waiting for the confirmation here, guys. If they want to go, the yes or the no is the main question that I'm waiting for right now. Do they want to go down further? Or are they not open for it? Is the main question here. That is the main question, right? Fair value gap on the 30-minute time frame on a low candle, low volume node on the upside. If we take it out at 29,380, I could pick up the speed. Oh, nice. Let's see, bro. You mean speed for the longs you're talking about, or you mean for the shorts? Let me know what you mean. Yeah, personally, I'm just looking at both ES and MQ here. ES is giving us a drastic bullish momentum at the moment. We did take out cash session high. Who knows? They might want to go for that as well here on MQ. Yes to shorts or yes to longs, bro? What do you mean? Let's see what happens, though. Let's see what happens. For the longs, it's too slow for me to get involved here. Personally, you could say that the flip. Okay, let's say we look on the 5. 5 is drastic. I don't see any entry for me for the long here, personally. Yeah, maybe on the 3-minute, but this one is not that clean. It's not that clean. Because yeah, okay, so yeah, 10 o'clock opening up, trading back into the daily open, then we took the shorts down towards previous day low. They didn't take previous day low. ES also didn't take it. Yeah, you know. Then we break back above 10 o'clock, you have an inversion gap. So this could be the 3-minute inversion. And then you have the, yeah, you take it off 10. But that, yeah, it's a bit tough, bro. Because if you take this, you need to have your stop. Either you take it below here, you take a risky stop loss. Because they could sweep it if they want to. Or you take it below 10. And then you instantly need to target back towards at least New York session high. Cash session, right? So this could be the reversal play. I just didn't see it personally, to be honest, right? Like, I didn't see it. I wanted to see the previous low be taken. So for guys that are wondering why I didn't take the trade here, because we were looking for the reversal, but I would like the reversal play to be a little bit more dramatic here, okay? I wanted them to take the lows more drastically, and then have 11 open up, retest into the wick of 10, break above, retest, and then go, right? That was my intention here. You can see now what happened here is that they swept the previous 4-hour low on 10, broke back above. That could have been your entry for the long. It just wasn't clean enough for me personally. And then you had the reversal play higher now, and now you're trying to battle it back higher, okay? We're currently trading above the 6-hour open, right? This is your 6-hour candle, or it's your 4-hour candle. So we're trading above 10 o'clock, back into previous 10 o'clock open, right? This could be a selling point to go lower if they want to. We're also selling off now on ES. ES is also selling off after rating the cash session high, trading back below 11, flipping the candle, going lower. You're in an extreme, so this could be a sell-off, right? If this is what they wanted to, and then we could target it back towards these lows on the downside for ES. And I would then look for shorts as well on MNQ. No trading, having a glass of beer. My friend, it's sunny here. Nice. Well played. It's not that sunny here, bro. It's been raining. Happy for you, though. I'm happy for you, my friend. But I like the potential short play here. I like it. I think this could be an option. Towards previous day low. Some of you guys are also looking for short, or are in longs right now. That's nice to know. Hopefully it plays out for you guys. Let's see. What would be the risk if I wanted to take this? Alright, I'm entering for the short play here, guys. I'm risking some of the money we made. It's a really small risk here, okay? Really small risk. So, yeah, if they want to go, I might enter some more. But I'm taking a small risk here. Because I'm trying to call the high here, okay? So it might not play out, as you can see now. Disagreed, only long now. Yeah, you guys might be right here. I'm looking at it from this angle, right? About the 4-hour tapping in, creating a high, potentially looking for the reversal. You guys might be right. If that's the case and they burn me here, that's fine. Then I just wait longer, or I don't take the trade. All right, let's see what happens here. Let's see if I'm gonna get taken out here for the shorts. I have 2 more minutes until a new 15-minute candle. Still giving some bearish signals here for ES. If they stay below this hourly open, then I'm still confident this could happen. But who knows? Like I said, I'm trying to call the high here. So it's a bit of a risky, frisky setup. Look at the V shape, long from 295. Took some at the 360 VWAP. Final target is 24.25. Yeah, let's see. You might be right here, of course. Like I said, I'm trying to call the high here. Retest of the VWAP to continue lower towards previous day low. But it is Friday, so Friday it could also retrace into the current day range and stay higher to rebalance the day. So if that's the case, that would be fine. Then I would be 3-1 today on the Nasdaq. If this doesn't play out. Still hovering around the VWAP. Let's see what happens here. I think this is a critical point, guys. If they re-break this high, then yeah, this could be an ultra bullish move back towards the 400s here. We're selling off pretty drastically here for the VIX, though. The VIX for ES. ES is giving some selling pressure. All right, just open a new 15-minute candle. Let's see what happens here, guys. Looks like they're gonna hunt me now. We got 30 minutes left for the giveaway. Make sure to sign up. The link is in the chat if you want to be a part of it. Giving away a 100k account here. Giving away a 100k account. Oh, still surviving. But barely thriving. We tap back into 2 o'clock. ES also selling off again here. Let's see if they want to sell and continue lower. Thinking that this could be the cash session rate to continue lower is the question. Love to get that. Yeah, who knows? It might be yours. I have no idea, my friend. All right, selling off pretty heavily here for ES. I don't know if Nasdaq wants to follow through though. We'll see what happens. A little bit of selling pressure here. If we get into the daily open area, I would go to break even personally on this trade, because I need to see them break it if they go into it. If they even want to go there, they could also just buy it up from here again and go higher. What are you guys' plans for the weekend, by the way? For everyone who's here, what are you gonna do? Do you get a payout? Are you gonna use your payout money to do something? What are you guys gonna do? Let me know. Let me know what you're gonna do for the rest of the weekend here. You got 2 days of no trading. What are you gonna do with the 2 days of no trading, guys? That is my question to you here, okay? What are you gonna do with the 2 days of no trading? Like, genuine question here. Crypto trading, yeah, that's funny. I'm going to a car show tomorrow. Oh, nice. What type of car show? What type of car show, my friend? Let me know. Let me know what type of car show you're going to. That's actually pretty nice, bro. really nice, my friend. Classics. Oh, nice. All right, having a little bit of a sell-off here. Let's see if they want to sell it through. I go to work. That's part of the game, bro. It's part of the game. You have to work sometimes, you know. Can't escape it, my friend. AKA old cars. Yeah, I understand. I understand what you meant with classics, bro. I'm 23, but I'm not dead. I'm not that young. I'm not that young. Alright, having a little bit of a sell-off. It's not there yet, though. It's giving me some vibes of potentially selling through here. Alright, getting near the daily open here. Definitely selling through on the S, though. The S is holding it down more than M and Q is right now. 6 o'clock is a major level. Gonna put an alert down here for ES. It does like to buy itself up a lot of times here. I just opened a new 20-minute candle. Let's see what happens. New buy up again. Alright, we're selling off a little bit here. Getting near that daily open. I'll have to cover myself here. Alright, we're crossing as well to the downside on the S. So I covered myself now. Let's see if they want to sink through or not. If not, and they buy themselves up again, then I'll be out of this position on break even. Looks like they're buying themselves up. We'll see though. Hello, AD Scalper. Hope you're doing good, bro. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get taken out here. Alright. Yeah, this is what it is. Was a nice try. That was a nice try. We went into a level of interest for ES, so I had to protect myself here. As you can see here, it went in the 5-minute fair value gap. Yeah, let's see what happens. Slower market for sure at the moment. It is what it is. Let's see what happens. Let's see if you guys were right here for the pull through here back to the upside. Would be nice. I hope so. I gave it my shot on the short. It did not want to go through the daily open. Had to protect myself here. It is what it is. We have a giveaway in 23 minutes, guys. If you want to be a part of it, make sure to tune in here for the checkout. There's a link in the chat. If you sign up, you can win a 100k free account. Never worth not trying here, guys. All right, nice buy up for you guys. Really nice. Good way to protect myself for sure. It was a good way to protect here. Look at that. Precisely on the daily open, and it just goes the other way. Still not high conviction on yes. We do need a little more breakout. Do you do any weekly prep on Sunday? No, bro. No. Nope. I analyze the market the moment I'm behind it, okay? That's how I do it personally. So I analyze the market the moment I'm behind the chart. Because I'm fluent, like I'm more scalping trader approach. I like to hold my trade longer depending on what the location is of the trade that I take. But I don't pre-analyze because, bro, to be honest, man, if you think about it as well, you could mark out zones where you could potentially be interested in looking for shorts, longs, whatever. But if you look at the creation of a candle on a day-to-day basis, sometimes it starts like this, then it ends up down like this, and then it goes up again like this. Okay? And the thing is, I like to participate within the creation of the candle trying to see if I can catch a move down here, trying to see if I can catch this move down to the upside. All right. So if I then reanalyze completely, like, man, like it just, for me, it just doesn't add any major value. But I do think having a top-down analysis makes a lot of sense, right? But I try to trade the creations of the candle internally. Same here, right? We try to trade 4 o'clock. You have a short-term high set in, so you trade it down, trade it up, break through 10 o'clock, you retest 10, you break it down lower because you have a clear draw on liquidity previous day low. It never went there, but that's how I then trade, right? So I try to trade the momentum in the creation of the candle. You see what I'm saying? That's how I do it personally. All right, we're selling it off again massively here for ES as well. I might jump back on board here. I might actually jump back on board here and give it another try. Let's see how they close this. Yeah, I'm giving it another try here, guys. Oh, that's a bit too much for me. All right, I'm giving it another try to the downside. Protection now is just when they break through. I would have to protect myself, so we'll see what happens. A bit more of a frisky entry, this one. I like this 5-minute closure, so I'm looking for the reversal play here. Back towards 10 o'clock. ES is definitely selling it off though. ES is giving the vibes, and Q is not really doing it yet. We'll see what happens. Hello, Joe. Hope you're doing good, my friend. Welcome back to the live stream, bro. Hope you're doing all right. I'm out of my long. I don't like the price action. I still think we can get to 425, but I don't want to give up my profits. It's a good decision to make if the price doesn't give you what you're looking for. It's never wrong to take some of your money out, and it could still go there for sure. Like you know, I might debate it myself now into this short position. By the closure on the 5, look at that stuff. Yeah. Why not wait for the pullback into the FVG? Which one are you referring to, my friend? You had a pullback into the hourly FVG. Yeah, I think I debated myself here. That was a nasty one by NQ, by the way. Closure on the 5 like this to then pull it all the way back up again. That's nasty. All right, so I'm 3-1 today. 1 loss, 3 wins on NQ. It is what it is. That's a nasty one, though. I ain't gonna lie to you. That's a real nasty one. Also for ES. Look at that. Nasty, 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 nasty. They came back into 11, closed it down, clear signal that they wanted to break through, and then they buy it all the way up again. Dang. Let's see what happens. I might stop trading this account, leave the profits in it, not give it back. I might trade an eval here. Which one can I trade? 6, 7. Yeah. All right, I'm leaving the account for what it is. I don't want to give back the profits. I'm getting near giving a payout on that one, so I don't want to mess that one up. I hope you guys understand that. Let me see. And then we have another one here. Yeah, so I'm requesting a payout next week for $1,200 next week on Tuesday. I just need 2 more days for the 10-day split. And then for the other one, it's at day 5. That one is up $4,000 at the moment. Are you trading futures? Yeah. I also trade CFD. But I've been blowing some CFD accounts, guys. For some reason, CFD is not really working for me at the moment. I'm more tempted to put on risk when I trade CFD for some reason. I don't understand why. Like I told you guys before, I'm not a legendary trader here, okay? I still blow up accounts, okay? So I've blew up like 2 accounts on the CFD side. I don't know why. Like for CFD, it feels like I want to increase my risk for some reason. When I'm trading futures, I don't have the temptation to do it. But when I trade CFD, I have the temptation to do it, to increase my risk. I don't know why that is. It's interesting though. What do you prefer? It depends, my friend. Depends on what you trade. If you trade the Nasdaq, I would just trade futures if I were you. I would trade futures. I wouldn't trade CFD. On the smaller time frame above your entry. You mean this one? The main reason why I didn't wait is because of the reaction, bro. I had a short here, got taken out on break even, and then I gave it another crack here to go down further because of the way on how they reacted and how they closed. So that's the main reason. There's always another FEG to take your short from, you know what I mean? Because there's an FEG here, there's an FEG here, there's an FEG right here, there's an FEG here, alright? So I could take shorts anywhere if I want to. I don't know. It was just a reaction. Reaction of the VWAP, good closure to the downside. On the 4 hour, you tap back into the 4 hour order block. You're above the open of the 4 hour. Yeah, I would take this setup 100% of the time. I would take it 100% of the time. Let's see what happens here though. ES closed itself back higher again on the 15. It looked nice. It looked really nice for the duration of it looking nice, and then it closed it back itself higher up. Yeah, it seems like these lows could just be protected for a new week, maybe, or it's gonna be a power hour hunt of liquidity to the downside. I'm interested to see what happens here though. For value gap combined with a low volume node has like a 65% hit rate. Oh, that's actually pretty nice. Peter Burker analyzed this using his MBO data. Oh. And yeah, maybe create an indicator that automatically shows the ones that are a low volume node. I guess that, you know, like, might be a bit hard to put it in there though. Might be a bit hard to put it in there. Are you guys in any trades still? Some of you guys actually still in these longs? Yeah, you're buying itself. It's buying itself up pretty drastically here. Yeah, no, there was no way for me to enter the longs personally. Like, no way. So, it is what it is. Just have to accept it, I guess. Just have to accept it the way it is. Let me see how they say that. If I win, do I get an email? Yeah. Long. Oh, nice. You guys are still on the long. Well played. Congratulations on these longs, bro. Bros, guys and girls, or whoever is in it. Well played. Let's see what gold is doing. Yeah, gold is breaking out further. I don't really like gold, to be honest. But whoever is in the long, well played. 29 for 16 short time. Yeah, let's see what happens. I'm still long from 29 313. Oh, nice. Well played. Congratulations, you guys are killing it. I'm trying to see if I see the short setup or long setup here, but I just can't see it. Like the only long setup that I could have taken was right here. So you have the break, or you could have said you take it here, right, off the breaker. Did anyone of you guys take it off the breaker, or how did you enter the trade? Do you mind sharing it with me? I would love to see how you guys entered this position. If you want to share this with me, go to the IQ Capital Discord and share it in the international chat. Let me know why you took the trade. That would be amazing. Would love to see why you took it. Would highly appreciate that. The only reason I could see this entry for me to play out would be here. Alright, so the best one would be right here. Big stop loss though, and then trade it back towards, for example, the first presented for value gap of 930. Or you took it here, okay? So you have the break, and you take it off the breaker, which is stop below this low. But that's a massive ass stop, bro. You know what I'm saying? That you're talking about 100-point stop. But yeah, it's what it is. If you want to share it with me, that would be highly appreciated, guys. Got 10 more minutes left for the giveaway. Make sure to tune in to the giveaway if you want to be a part of it. These songs are making me fall asleep here. Making me fall asleep here. Is that either brain with the previous track I was feeling like I was in a medieval cafe. Yeah, bro. Yeah, we're feeling like we are like samurais, bro. Samurais. I'm short now on M&Q. Nice. Let's see if it plays out for you, bro. I hope so. I hope for all you guys that you guys are achieving your desired reality here. Trading. Either it's up, down, left, right, center. Let me know. I hope for you guys it works out here. I'm currently not seeing any potential to trade at the moment for now. But who knows? It might come soon here. Music too loud? What are you talking about? Is it? Is it better now? I hope it's better now. Let's see. So it went down. We took the trade down. We took the trades up. We took one short that didn't play out, actually. Wait. Alright. Locked out. Hello, weekends are traded. That's amazing, bro. Congrats, my friend. That's good to hear. Good to hear you locked yourself out, bro. Important part, my friend. Let's see what's happening here, guys. I took the long from the I took the long from 29.93 up to 4.15 with C4 with the C4 creation. Oh, you took it like this. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, that's nice. But you took it on what? On the 15-minute time frame? On what candle creation did you take it, bro? Or you took it from the 15? Yeah, so the new 15. Yeah, yeah, that's nice. That's nice. Yeah, nice, guys. This is a great long here. Yeah. On the 1 minute. Oh, jeez. Okay, nice. Yeah, maybe it still wants to go to previous day high. I don't think so. We'll see though. Now I'm completely mixed for the buys here. Let me see what it looks like here on the hourly. Give me 1 sec. So you rated Asia lows, never went back to previous day low. Breaking up now, coming back to 12 o'clock. If they flip this again, that would be crazy. Then they could definitely deliver through. That would be mad though. That would be like, so we have that would be another 200 points. Yeah. Now let's see if that happens though. That would be crazy, guys. What's the Volks doing? The Volks is not really doing anything. It's slowly moving to the downside here. When you're not in, it goes without stopping. Why? Yeah, good question, my friend. Good question. That's trading, bro. You know, trading. It always feels like the trade goes without you. It always feels that way. Hey, Monaton, Mike. Hey, congratulations, man. Enjoy the food. And in Bookmark, we have aggressive buys and much more liquidity above, up to 29,600. Hey, thank you, bro. Have a lovely day, my friend. It's breaking back into the 1 hour candle. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, it seems like it wants to break the cash session here. Yeah, whoever took this, well played. This is an amazing move. I just didn't see the entry for me personally. Yeah, it's a lot of buying here, but I don't really like gold. The movement is not that clean today. It's a lot of wiki. Like if you trade this on the higher time frame, you might have caught a nice trade here. Like if you would say like I traded on the hourly, you know, but overall it's not my type of price action, guys. Still boxing, yeah, for sure. Still boxing, amigo. Still boxing. We have to. I'm becoming a little bit fat, guys. I'm losing weight. Starting to lose weight. I'm back on a diet. I need to lose a little bit of weight. I'm not fat overall, like generally speaking, okay? But I used to be ripped. And when I'm saying ripped, I mean like I'm like genuinely ripped here. Let me show you guys. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. If I can find it though. There you go. Look at this. I used to be fit as heck when I was boxing 6 days a week. Like I had like, you could see my ribs. Like look at that. I used to be insanely fit when I was boxing 6 days a week. Now I'm not that fit anymore. Not that fit anymore. Don't get a wife. Yeah. Yeah, she's gonna cook too nice for me. Too low? What is too low? I don't know what you're talking about, my friend. What are you talking about? Low? What is low? What is too low? I have no idea. I have no. What do you mean? I have a wife. Yeah, her name is Gold. Yeah. Yeah, something like that. Let's see what happens here, guys. We got 1 minute left for the giveaway. Are you guys ready? Press 1 in the chat if you guys are ready for the giveaway here. Let me know if you guys are ready for the giveaway. All right, sorry guys, I was distracted for a second. All right, let's end the giveaway. You guys ready? Drop a W in the chat if you guys are ready for the giveaway here. Oh, I accidentally closed my tab for the stream. Fuck. Am I still live? I hope I'm still live. I accidentally closed the tab. What the fuck? Give me a second, guys. Am I still live? Am I still live? Let me know, please. I hope I'm still live. This is bad. Why did I do this? Am I still live? Are we still live? Okay, awesome. I accidentally closed the tab. I don't know why that happened. Let me sign in so we can end the giveaway here. Sorry guys. My bad. My apologies. I don't know what happened there. I accidentally closed the tab for some reason. It was crazy. Alright, we're still live. Okay. Let's count down together, guys. You know how it goes. Are we going to count down here? 3, 2, 1. Let's count down together. You guys start. You guys start. Let me know. Let's count it down. Let's count it down. Let me know. Count it down, guys, and then we're gonna end the giveaway here. 3, 2, 1. May the odds be in your favor, guys. May the odds be in your favor. And let's see who wins this one. Let's see who wins this one, guys. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and congratulations to our winner, Raju. Well played, my friend. Congratulations on winning. Congratulations on winning, my friend. No, not Sebastian. No. He can't win. Raju, well played, my friend. Congratulations. All right, we're going to stick around a little bit longer here. And then we're going to call it for what it is, guys. Let's see if the market is providing us another setup or not. Let's see if the market is willing to provide us another setup. We tapped the New York session open again. Would I say that it's going to be shorts or longs is the main question here now. Would I say it's shorts or longs is the main question here now. This could also be your topic for the hour for the continuation play lower. Let's see though. Is it a double top? Yeah, good question. You have a bearish divergence for sure here with the S once again. It's for sure a bearish divergence. We went back into the first presented fair value gap of the cash session. So this is a potential short area. I might be willing to give this a try. It's really bullish though. Like it's really bullish. Selling off nicely at the moment, but we'll see. We'll see what happens here. Could still come back to previous day low like that. There's no reason why it couldn't do it. Let's see how it closes also on ES. It's my main concern to see how ES closes. I might give it a try here. So I'm entering a short here for MNQ again. Stop loss above the previous 5-minute high. I'm just looking for a short-term reversal. No bottom wick. Let's see what happens here. They could just rate this out here if they want to. The no bottom wicks are always dangerous. Doesn't look too bright here, guys. I might need to give it a little bit of drawdown here. Alright, I'm giving it a little bit of drawdown. If they want to sweep this high and then reverse, that could definitely happen. We'll see what happens though. I might just screw myself by giving it drawdown though. You never know. What is up with this rise? Yeah, that's just that's the New York session, bro. It could reverse all the way if it wants to, go all the way back to the current day high. Looks like it. No bottom wick. It's not ideal. I was expecting this no bottom wick to flip and reverse back into the range, but I don't think that's gonna happen. We'll see though. We'll see what happens here. Might be a little. I wasn't maybe a little bit trigger finger happy here, but I did like the closure here on the S, and we had a bearish divergence, so it gave me some confluences, but it is what it is. They might just want to go all the way up here, back towards the 700s. Would be crazy. Yeah, it didn't want to leave us yet. No, yeah, you're right. So I got taken out here. At least I did it on a fresh account on the eval, so it's not that major. Could have also taken this on the funded account. I'm glad I didn't. I'm glad I didn't do that. Let me log in to see how this account is standing. Give me 1 second, guys. I want to see how this eval is standing. Give me 1 sec. Okay, it's not major. All right. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. This eval is fresh, so I'm down 300 on the eval. That's okay. All right. Overall, I'm down 300. Let's see what happens though. I was expecting a short-term reversal here, but it didn't give it to us. It just broke through. No bottom wick. We got 8 minutes until the new hour. Let me take everything off the chart here and have a fresh look here to see what happens. Is it really going back towards these relative equals here to the top? That would be crazy. Look at the ES breaking out, by the way. Oh, what a breakout, guys. Look at that stuff. What a breakout. Okay, interesting. Interesting breakout. Is anyone still in this long? If you're still in, man, like if this shit doesn't look like it's gonna stop anytime soon. Well played. Well played on that, for sure. The question is, how can I get involved myself if I want to get involved in this long? I just don't see it. Yes, oh nice, well played. Really nice. Tapping back into 12 in the last 12 o'clock open for the day. It was later. Might be fitting to say hello. Only the bell can stop it. Yeah, let's see what happens here. I'm in long. 9 on profit right now. Oof, nice. Yeah, let's hope it plays out for you further. I don't know how far you want to reach for it. You have the sweep of current day low, Asia low taken, Asia high is already taken. Yeah, let's see what happens here, guys. Let's see what happens here. Does this really want to break out all the way is the question, right? I feel like I'm a little bit too high up to take the long personally. Sadly. We'll see what happens here though. We'll see what happens. Gold looks untradeable to me still. I know I had a bearish bias, but I'm tempted to do a long position until the momentum stops. Yeah, I'm tempted to as well now, bro. I'm also tempted at the moment, but I don't want to chase the move at the moment here. I feel like if I enter the long now, it's going to be the flip. You see what I'm saying? That's the feeling I'm getting from the market at the moment. That this shit's going to flip on me the moment I enter my long. Yeah, the only account down for me today is this one. Now, because I took this trade, tried to take the flip down. The rest is up for the day. So I'm overall doing good. I'm up for the week massively, guys. I'm up 4K for this week on one account alone. And one account is up 2,400. I'm keeping it as it is because I want to secure that payout. I want it badly, okay? Also because I want to just show to you guys that you can get a payout with IQ. I show to you live, you know. I think that's good to show you guys. And then another account's up 4K. And then I got a couple of evals running. One is over halfway now. Another one is down 300. That's this one. So yeah. Can you send the link again? Which one? I can send it. Which one are you talking about? The W07? Oh, send it, bro. No worries. That's why I'm not in it. Good job this week. Yeah, well played, bro. Nice. Overall green. Green for the beans. Both. How did you lead both of the indicators, bro? How do you do it? How do you lead both of them? Let me see. There you go. No problem, bro. No problem, my friend. Yeah, look at that. Selling off nicely here. NQ, you are dirty sometimes. You are dirty. We got a new hour open here in 2 minutes, guys. Let's see what happens at the new hourly open here. Who's still actively watching? Press 1 in the chat if you guys are still actively watching here. If you're still here. We got 83 people. You guys are awesome. I appreciate every single one of you. Still here. Later on in the day still. It's legends. Can you do an ARC transfer on the funded account? That's a good question, bro. Let me see actually. Yeah, if I'm pretty sure you can do a wire transfer. Pretty sure you can do a wire transfer. And I think crypto as well. Midnight here. Jeez. Good to see you still here. I appreciate you. Tap back into 6 o'clock and a big shot to the downside here. Got a new open in 4 seconds. Let's see what the new hourly is going to do for us, guys. It looks like it's brewing up the order block for the shorts here. That's what it looks like. But yeah, you're not gonna fool me here. This could also still be the long here, guys. yeah, for sure. Good news, for sure, man. This should be the case, my friend. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. Long day, long day. We're still here, though. Still here, alive and barely breathing. Let's see what happens here. Do they want to sink it lower a little bit or not? Let's see. ES is giving me some selling signals for sure. But yeah, do you want to sell into this? Not really, right? Like, you don't really want to sell into that. We just took out the bottom wick on the 5 that had no bottom wick here. Let's see what happens, guys. You guys are awesome, by the way. We already reached 1.2k subscribers, which is awesome. You guys are legends. If you haven't done it already, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Boom. Subscribe, hit the like, hit the bell. There you go. Awesome. Let's see what happens, guys. Then we're gonna have a crossover to the upside is the big question here. Adrius chilling, bro. Adrius is chilling. Someone from my little trading society that I have. It's becoming more big every day, but look at him chilling. Shisha, look at him chilling. You guys are legends. You guys are awesome. Look at that. Awesome. All right, we're selling off again. I think we made the right call here. Good news. I think we I think we made the right call, not entering the longs. But who knows? We'll see. We'll see. It's a sneaky market, my friends. It's a sneaky market. Likes to bait you into believing one thing and doing the other. Gonna have a good night of sleep tonight. That's for sure. Gonna have a good night of sleep tonight. There's no lying in that. I'm feeling tired. Frisky and tired today. I have to drive tomorrow for 2.5 hours to go to a friend of mine to see him, chat with him, have a little party, and then go back again on Sunday. Crazy, guys. Crazy. I wish I kept my trade till 425. Yeah, I can understand that. Call call Ra, I think is how I pronounce it. I understand that completely. But it could also reverse from here, you know? It could have done that as well. It's a two-way street. Let's see what happens here, guys. It looked like it wants to sell off a little bit. It's giving me some signs, but it's like, it's a Friday, you know what I'm saying? It's like, Friday, baby, why you do me so dirty today? Yeah, look at it, complete. Yeah, it's a good V-shaped recovery for sure. I think now it could do it the other opposite way again. Personally, that's what I'm expecting here, for it to continue the other side now. That's what I'm anticipating, but we'll see what happens though. I still think that previous day low could be the target. It could also be an inside day, you know, that they stay within the previous day range. I'm wondering though. I mean, look at the S. He has just completely sunk. But yeah, this is gonna be major for me. If they want to buy themselves up from here, completely buy themselves up again, stay above 12 o'clock open, then I would look for the long continuation. Cool, I just did a kick scalp for $150. Nice, bro. Well played. Yeah, so either they want to buy up, stay above 12, and I look for longs. But I need the alignment here for ES for me to do something like that. Or I look for the continuation short from here. So it's a two-way street. My name is Ron. Ron, nice to meet you, my friend. I appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you for letting me know. My name is Thomas. In case you didn't know, my name is Thomas. Nice to meet you, my friend. Alright, let's see. Could be an inversion gap. Inversion gap to go lower. Definitely selling off here for ES. We're getting in an extreme for ES though. Like if ES wants to flip, it would be from here, as you can see, right? If they want to continue higher, it should happen from around here for sure. Today my New York session was good. Yesterday was terrible. Well played, Mike. I'm happy for you, bro. Yeah, yesterday for me it was rough as well. I had a rough day. I'm happy that I called it early because I would have been mentally disabled if I continued trading yesterday. Today it's okay, even though I just, you know, I'm down a little bit on this account. For the rest, I'm doing fine. I'm not gonna trade this one anymore. I'm gonna accept 600. I was 700. It is what it is, you know. Can't take everything home, but we're gonna try and probably take one more trade on this one, and that would be it for me. We'll see though. Happy birthday. Whose birthday are you? Is your birthday today? Congratulations if that's the case, my friend. Congratulations if that's the case. It's not my birthday. It's not my birthday. My birthday is a couple of months from now. I'll turn 24. What an age, guys, to be honest. 24, I'm getting old, guys. I'm getting old. Oh, brother, my name is not Discord. It's not Mike. It was my friend using my Discord for games. Oh, really? Oh, what's your name then? Hidden secret. I keep thinking that your name is Mike. All right, we're buying ourselves up again here for ES. Let's see what happens. And this could be a long potentially here for NQ. If ES wants to be the first to present it to us, then we could look for the continuation play. I'm just wondering, like, where could they go? How much time is left in the day? So they have about 4 hours left. What could they do in the next 4 hours? Is it likely that they're gonna go all the way here? I don't think so, personally. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I don't know. It's interesting. It's an interesting day today, right? It's like that's the question. Is like, is it likely? We have a new accession is already done. The open is already done. There's no more news coming as well. I'm sorry. My apologies, guys. I'm getting tired. All right, we're breaking down. We're inverting the gap. I think it's gonna be a short continuation play, to be honest. Yeah, it's clearly it's not respecting it as well here on the S. Okay, so I think I will be looking for the short play here. Let's see. Good inversion gap. Let's see if we can get a trade down here and get one with a good entry. I passed an IQ eval. Do you know how long I have to activate it? I think until it expires. Just wait for it, you know, do whatever, Moxie. You could also activate it and not trade it. Then you don't have to worry about it. Just keep it active, you know. Let's see what happens. This is like the extreme of the extreme. You have an inversion gap now, but this could also be the level where they want to go higher again. What a V-shaped recovery to the downside again, though. If this actually starts sinking it all the way down again to here, then you had like a lot of V-shaped moves. Then I just had to put my balls together and just execute the short from 6. Because in here, it's hard to trade, guys. Like, you want to trade from these zones and from these zones, right, to the upside and downside. But within the move itself, it's hard to trade unless it gives me like it gives me the correct entry. Because I look at time frame synchronization, guys, right? This means that I like to see if I can trade in the top creation of the 4 o'clock, but I like to, for example, enter here, right? And then have a new 15 open up, enter in the top wick, and then set it off again. But because I'm also looking at the hourly creation, I see that we're trading below the hourly open. Do you see that? So then my mind instantly goes against... Oh, no, fuck. It instantly goes against it. You see what I'm saying? That's my struggle that I sometimes still have as a trader, you know? That's my struggle I still have sometimes as a trader. I'm not perfect here, guys. You know, I'm getting payouts, but I'm nowhere near perfect. If I was, then that would be great, but I'm not. I'm trying my hardest, though. And I'm glad you guys are here with me. Fist bump. With, oh yeah, my hands are broken, but it is what it is. Fist bump. We're doing it together here, guys. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. I need to decrease my RR. I was losing because of high expectations. Yeah, just, bro, you don't have to make a 1 to 20 R trades, you know? Like, if you can make a 1 to 2 R, 1 to 1.5, you're good, man. You don't need more, my friend. You don't need more. You just need a steady win rate of around 50% and a 1 to 5 R return, and you're good, bro. You're good, my friend. You don't need more than that, amigo. Voice crack. Amigo. Let's see what happens here, though. Let's see if they want to give us the entry. I'm still tempted to wait a little bit longer here for a potential trade. But if it doesn't provide it, then I might just call it for what it is. But for now, I'm still here. Let's see if they want to give it to us. Let's see if they want to give it to us, guys. Is any of you guys still in a trade? Let me know in the chat if you're still in a position here. If so, what are you trading? Are you in the longs? Are you in the shorts? Interested to know what you guys are doing here, if you guys are still in a position. Let me know if you're still trading anything here. Oh, you're in short? Oh, nice, Joe. And let's hope it plays out for you, bro. I would like to see that. I would like to see that happen. Anyone else still in the short? Long? Thank you, Ron, for the fist bump, bro. Appreciate it. my hair is doing some nasty stuff. Yes, 1 law. Yes, 2 law M&Q short. Oh, nice, Martin. Nice, bro. Well played, my friend. You got this. I believe in you. I believe in you. I believe. It could definitely be the continuation play short here. I wonder, how do I get involved here? All of you guys are short. Okay, nice. I might jump on the train when I get the option here on the next 15. If we get a rise back up, I might consider jumping on the short with you guys. I have no trade idea yet. Confused with the movement. Hey, bro, I had that the last couple of days as well, man. So, if you don't see it, don't trade it, my friend. If you don't see it, don't trade it. That's why I'm not in the trade yet. I don't see the entry yet. So, you're doing a good thing here, bro. Don't force it, for sure. Short from 29,479. Oh, nice. Yeah, real nice. But you took it all the way from the top. Well played, bro. Well played. A 15-minute bearish breaker. I took it here. Oh, that's real nice. Yeah, I didn't see it. You guys are awesome. You guys are awesome. You guys are awesome. You guys are legends. Yeah, really nice, guys. Well played. I'm just wondering what's gonna happen here now, because we're respecting the extreme for ES. We're in the bottom of the hour. I might wanna pop on the long here, guys. I ain't gonna lie to you. I know I sound crazy. I know I sound crazy, but I might want to try this long. I might want to actually try this long. We're just trading an eval here anyways, so I'm less it's less risk that I'm putting on the table if I do it. But yeah, let's have a look here, guys. Because we're trading below the hourly open. Hourly closed really bullish. Disrespected the full hourly for value gap. And if I'm looking at ES as well here, ES just give me those signs, you know, like the signs to potentially go back again, re-rate the current hourly high. And to eliminate the divergence could be the target, right? But then again, could also be vice versa here. We're also selling again here on the S. It's not, true conviction is not there yet. Let me see here on the higher time frame. 4 hours swept liquidity above previous 4 hour. Selling it off now. We tap precisely back into 12 for the top wick. Yeah, let's see if they close. If they go and break below and invert this, then I might look for the short. Accepting that this might be the top wick for the 15-minute time frame here. This could be the short play. Otherwise, I don't see the short play, guys, to be honest, right? So I need to either see this be the short play already on the 15-minute time frame. Expecting this to be the short play, right? To create the top wick here for the 15. Inverting this gap. And then go lower. That would be the only scenario I could see here. All right. Alright, entering a short here, guys. Stop above the current high on the 15. Inverted the gap. Oh. Oh my god, please. What the Alright, here you go. Yeah, let's see if this wants to go here. Let's see how far they want to go though. We're selling up pretty nicely for ES. Let's see if this is the top wick of the 15 or not. Closure's nice, also on the 5. New 20-minute is also nice. It looks good at the moment. It looks good at the moment here. We're also selling off pretty nasty here for ES. So it's looking good at the moment, guys. At the moment, it's looking alright. Let's see though. Beaches, hello my friend, hope you're doing alright. Let's see if they want to sink it through here. Is this going to be the reversal play back to the daily open for ES or not? If ES wants to sell it off, that would be nice. Doesn't look... Never mind, I guess. Okay. I have my hands up. I have my hands up. I have my hands up. I'm sorry for even touching the market. Who said something here, guys? What's going on? Who said something here? Okay. Hands up. Hands up. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, okay? I didn't know it was that emotional. Yeah, it is what it is. I'm really glad I traded on the EVA at the moment, because this is sad. Liquidity sweep, yeah, you could call that. That is a drastic sweep here, my friend. That is a drastic sweep. That was out of nowhere. 50 points, baby. Just like that. Just like that, baby. Yeah. Okay, yeah, I guess it is what it is. I'm not gonna enter it again here, by the way, just so you know, because now my stop would be way too wide. It is what it is, guys. That was pretty interesting. I'm glad that we did not get slipped here. We had a precise, our stop loss is precisely hit. It was meant to sweep you, I think. Yeah, it looked like it. You joined in, Peaches, and I got swept. I feel like I ain't gonna lie to you. I feel like you're in on it. I feel like you're in on it. Do you guys agree with me? I think Peaches is here. He's... Yeah, it's Pieces. Not, I know it's Pieces, but not Peaches. But I call it Peaches. I just traded for the live points on my EVA with the Nasdaq and got out as soon as possible when I saw the reversal coming. Are you down now from 700 plus? No. No. No, this is an eval. I'm up on my account. I'm up 600, bro. I stopped trading that account. This is an eval. The other account is it's not an eval. It's funded. This would have been upsetting if I lost all that money. But no. Don't worry about it, bro. I'm good. We're good. On that account, I'm up 4K this week. The other account. I started trading this. Yeah, I'm up 4K on the other account here. So that's nice. And let's see what happens here, guys. Let's see what happens. I think personally that it might be too late in the day now to trade, to be honest, but we'll see though. We'll see what happens. I trade the eval account just like real money, because when I get a fund account, it is gonna be real money. Yes, yeah, I understand what you're saying here, but I'm less, I'm less picky when it comes to trading in eval. I'm also willing to, take some trades, give it a try. I'm not over risking, like I'm down $340. One good trade and I'm up $500. You see what I mean? So it's not a big problem here. I just make it back in one good trade. I'm not really like I stream as well on my own account, and I've been down $700 on the day, make it all back and make 400 extra, right? Like, it's not that big of a deal for me. Why do you use inversion gaps or ICT? It's just something I'm used to. It's something I'm used to. You could say that an inversion gap is like an absorption of orders, right? So from an order flow perspective, you could see here that they absorbed, or they took control over the buyers, okay? Because you have whenever price gives a fair value gap, it basically means that it's making market inefficient, okay? So it's making an inefficient market. And the moment they trade through it like this, you could say that anyone who's been buying here got absorbed or is stuck now in their buying position. So that's why I like inversion gaps. Nice, but do you increase the size to recover? No. No. No, not really. Interesting way to create a top wick here, though. Is there anything on gold tradable? Gold is just buying up. Anyone who's been buying gold, congratulations. It looks horrible in the 1 minute, like genuinely. But if you've been trading this on the higher time frame, you should be good here. Let's see what M&Q is doing though. Yeah. We got the new half an hour coming in 2 minutes from now. Let's look at the hourly perspective. Sweep of liquidity, but on the other side, moving higher. Let's see what we have here on the S. Yeah, it's giving me upside potential here, guys. I ain't gonna lie to you, for the next half an hour. And this might be the last position I'm willing to take, as I feel like the market is becoming less and less steady to trade here personally. We're in extreme fair value gap, so we're in the lowest point we can be for the longs. Lower than this and it would definitely turn into a short. So if it wants to recover itself, it has to happen from around here. You have a 5-minute fair value gap. ES is also in a similar situation here. We're both trading below the open of the day. So it's really giving me those vibes. You sweep liquidity before this initial move. So you sweep liquidity here before the initial move, back into the fair value gap. And now you have an inefficient high, which they might want to recover here. What is your guys' vision? Let me know in the chat. Are you guys looking for shorts? Are you looking for longs? I wonder what you guys are looking for now after this this move here. If they invert this gap, I might take the long, and that would be my my last trade here. I'm giving it $200 of drawdown. If I take the long, let me know in the chat what you guys are looking for. If you guys are still active after this move, let me know. Time to sweep again. Yeah, you want to sweep it up again? Yeah, that would be crazy. If I now enter and they do the exact thing, but then the other way, that would be mad, bro. That would be mad. I would never go above 2 contracts. Yeah, but I also trade more on I also trade more contracts than 2 on the funded. It just depends on the risk, right? It's not that I want to increase my risk, but sometimes you have the opportunity to use 6 because the market is so the range is so thin. It's not big. I mean, Q shorts. I have a divergence here as well. Divergence. Let's see. Let's see, baby. What we want to do today, baby? Tell me. What are we looking for today? Is the question of the day. What are we looking for is the question of the day, guys. Is price ready to discover price in any direction here is the question. Pretty bearish closure here for ES again. Hello, I cannot find a gold pair on my futures account. It's MGC is gold. MGC. But you need to buy yourself the subscription if you want to trade gold though. It costs you $4 a month, so it's not expensive. But you need to have that if you want to trade gold. Is that so? Is that the case? I wonder what the spike was though. Like I'm genuinely I genuinely don't know what the spike was. There's no news. So I'm a bit confused why that happened. Nah, yeah, there's nothing regarding it. Oh, okay. Thank you, Amazing Junk. Thank you for letting me know, bro. I didn't see it. Thank you, friend. Thank you, bro. I appreciate that a lot. Seems like we're thinking it through further here, guys. Let's see. Hey guys, I'm still in the short since 1500, but barely breathing. Awesome. Good to see you here again, Julia. Appreciate you. I tried to short it here and got spiked out like never before. And I tried a long position. Or no, I tried another short position. And both of them got taken out. This one actually got top take now, I'm looking at it. But yeah, this is what it is. This is a fresh account. Now I'm looking for potential long here, Julia, but I need to get the confirmation. Otherwise, I might call it for what it is today. It's becoming a bit rougher now. Becoming a bit rougher for sure. What's funny, Ron? Did I say something strange? Alright, let's see. Yeah, I was out and about and just saw it. What the fuck? Yeah, it's crazy. I don't know. Crazy spike. No GD vengeance. Oh. And let's see what happens, guys. Let's see what happens here. That lady, she said she was barely breathing. Oh. Julia is still on the short though. She is still alive. Shanna. Pretty sure. Let's see what happens here, guys. Do we have that breakout or not? Back to the upside. Or we're gonna break down further. Is anything going to happen whatsoever is the main question I have now. No, I closed it. Ah, nice. Alright. Am I going to try it? I am. Alright, I'm longing it here, guys. This will be my last setup. If this doesn't go right, then I call it for what it is here. And I'm calling it for what it is. Expecting this to break out, to recover it back towards that high. Let's see if it wants to break out though. Might even want to recover it higher. Let's see. We invert the gap, so yeah, we're in and loaded. Let's see what happens. Got a new 5-minute coming in here in a couple of seconds as well. Could retest it down and go higher again. Let's hope they're not gonna just completely annihilate this 5-minute again and go down. Then I'm definitely done for the day. They should take the wick. I don't think so, my friend. This wick was created before the massive spike. Or you mean this wick? Or you mean this one? I personally think that this wick is fine. It was created before the initial move. That's why I think personally. You might be right though. If they take it, then I'm gonna get screwed here. And that's fine. How late is it? It's almost counting 13 o'clock. Yeah, I would like to see it come back here. Let's see if it wants to do that though. So you mean the wick to the upside, or you mean this one at the bottom here? The wick to the upside is the one that I'm targeting right now. It's playing out for now. We're also buying up here for ES. Let's see if they want to go though. Upside. Yeah, let's hope so. Let's hope they want to do it. Would be nice. Hey, thank you, my friend. I'll see you on Monday, for sure. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. And live your life, bro. Enjoy it. Enjoy it, my friend. Enjoy it to the fullest, bro. And let's see if we can break out further here, guys. Let's see if we can break out further. It looks like it. It looks like it wants to drive here. 2 minutes and 15 seconds until the closure. And then we close a 15-minute candle. It would be nice if this closes really bullish. I wouldn't mind that actually. It's not looking all too bright on the S though. Yeah, it's giving me a little bit of doubts here. I need ES to also follow through. ES is not doing it, and Q is, but ES isn't. It's not too shabby for me, ES. Yeah, I might move my stop loss here soon, bro. Yeah, ES is not doing it. All right, I'll put it on break even if they take me out. It is what it is. ES is selling off here, so that's kind of upsetting. I hoped it might did it for us, but I don't know. But if NQ likes to hold itself up, I'll buy extra here at the top. So if they do want to go, I'll add to my position here. But if they don't want to go, then I accept it for what it is, and then we just call it for what it is today. Let's hope they want to do it though. It doesn't look like it, but you never know. Got 40 seconds until the closure. If this closes bullish, that would be a highly conviction for me. We're still respecting that inversion gap, guys. So that's looking good. Let's see if they want to continue doing that, though. If I add 2, I'm gonna be put at 25% of the move. So then, yeah, it goes in our direction. So I can actually instantly go to break even and secure myself while we scale into the move here. And yeah, it should be all right. See what happens. Got a new 5, closed bullish, not too shabby. Let's see if we can survive this bottom wick though. Need to see some buying pressure coming in instantly, which is not doing it. All right, I got taken out on break even. All right, that would be it for me, guys. I'm gonna call it. I don't think it's worth trading anymore. Was a nice try. This wanted to flip and continue, but yes, not doing it. So yeah, just call it for what it is, you know. Call it for what it is. Thank you all for tuning in today, for being here the entire day with me. I really appreciate you guys. We had a nice short setup here for MNQ, and then we tried a couple of trades here on an eval. One of them got wicked out insanely hard. The other one was just a good try. It is what it is, though. I'll see you guys on Monday. I highly appreciate you guys. Stay safe. Protect your capital. Tuesday, we're going to request a payout together, so that's going to be awesome. And if you want to be a part of more giveaways, or you want to also tune in for my live streams, you know where to find me. And I'll be there in the London session on Monday. Thank you, guys, okay? Thank you very much. And I wish you guys all a wonderful weekend, truly, okay? I truly do. Thank you, guys. I really appreciate every single one of you, okay? I really appreciate every single one of you. Thank you very much. And have a lovely, lovely rest of your weekend. Like I always say, see you later, alligator in a wild crocodile. Okay? Thank you, guys. Speak to you later.